Ladies and gentlemen,
Ladies and gentlemen,
boys and girls,
boys and girls, welcome to the greatest podcast on the planet.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hiyo lana eti pu 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 pu.
And they tipping me off. I know you from the inside out. We do some real talking at my mama's house. We finna get something for $1. We might just hit home in a Honda. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting. I'm okay. I'm just minutes away. You can come any day. You can come and we play. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting.
Threesome baba, threesome.
Kazi wazithola elamankazana amabili ngesikhathi esiyi-1.
Threesome.
Hayi mina phela watshela abantu ukuthi awusomngani wami so ngicela uxolise phambi kwecamera.
In between
Wathi
cheeks.
wena mina I'm not your friend.
No matter what happens, very threesome vela mina niyazi.
Hayi.
I-threesome ayifuni libe abangane.
Abangane.
It's just willing
Mina I won't
participants,
rest
willing
until you
buyer,
call me
willing
your friend.
seller.
What? Hey, ngakuthinda sibili.
Wathi my friend MJ.
My friend MJ.
Yeah.
My friend
Hey,
MJ.
I like it. That sounds nice.
Now I'm Nombe.
Because wami yangisa. I think it
No,
was
I'm-
not nice.
Umbe ngiyamazi ndoda ngimazi before you. Usaseimbulu ungambingeleli mina ngikukhulumisa.
Ja, akutho
Basi
ukuthi
mafoti
ngazina.
wayengithatha ngani ngiyanuka.
I actually know her before you knew her. Because I've known her ever since emncane.
Mina
Ekhula.
ngikhona eUBH ezalwa. Mina ngikhona eUBH ezalwa.
So we ignore her.
Eh.
You always say that I never used to ignore you, but I
Auntie,
keep telling you.
celebrity,
I keep telling you.
superstar.
I never used to.
Siphefumulo,
Mina,
uphefumulo
I'm a person of specific things. When I came to Skies Metro, I came for the people that I came to and live. I know Skies ukuba ngamangana ne Skies
But
Metro.
mina angihlangana ngalawo eSky's Metro.
Okanje just umna wami.
Akuphandle
Umna wami.
umna wakho umngani wami. Uyandithanda.
Yeah,
Wena.
you are a friend with my young brother. That doesn't necessarily mean you're my friend.
Friends.
It continues the plot thickens.
I'm just joking.
The plot thickens.
Shout out to something. DJ something cliche.
Do you know he used to get his pizza on Good Hope FM. He was that good.
Oh.
Because ask Night Freak about something. Before Night Freak was Night
He's
Freak.
the one who put me on to Night Freak actually.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
He would tell me daily, please listen to this.
We
guy,
are
please."
actually talented in Kai. You couldn't angazuka kuthini. No, we are.
Yini?
Yeah, we are.
Kuthini njani?
Angazi what happens. Serious, I don't know what
So,
happens.
if you say so.
No, we are. We are actually talented. Like arts wise.
Yami isondele. Sorry.
We actually like
I'm
we actually
sitting
like
from-
that talented. Like
La ungu DJ.
no. You notice this lady
And so
Tumba.
yeah, having
But-
this whole thing and you're not
I can't even see.
yeah.
No,
I don't
Zamboni.
know.
No, Zamboni.
Lamalokhu zena lalelana. Ama viewers abone daily xoxa.
Only girls who know is something.
Oh, they can't.
making good.
Yeah,
Yeah,
sorry,
you guys
sorry,
are
sorry,
so
sorry.
ahead of
Oh,
sorry,
sorry.
sorry. Wabek.
Ndikhona ukuthi
That's making good.
sekungxoxo 99.
Ayi.
Making good. It's making good.
linjani?
Uma futhi uthi
Mali-
umake good cherry yakhe.
No. I'm just saying. So, okay.
Ngiyadla.
Ngokungena nje ngicela ukuxolisa.
Ngama celebrity.
Ngicela ukuxolisa.
Last
Yeah,
week Paris Hilton.
Mafoto
No,
mafoto uthi ufuna
that's my
ukunitshaya.
brother. That's not my brother. That's my brother. That's not me. What's up?
Mafoto wathi ufuna ukunitshaya.
Why? Why is
Nge-comment.
This
Which
I want
comment?
to see.
Nge-comment.
Which
What
comment?
did you say?
Ekukhonkotha.
What
Hey,
did he?
Ukongota.
Ngangidlala.
Which comment? Ukuthi baphoto. Oh, ingqondo ukongota
He doesn't
kan.
read comments though.
I do read comments.
How?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I think that one he
Must
read
not give in
specifically.
Namangan.
No, sometimes I read, sometimes I don't.
Next time.
When I'm paid, I actually reply. Did I reply you?
One reply. Wathi msunu wakho.
No, I don't do vulgar language. Ngathini?
Ula ngilayile
I don't do vulgar language.
Ule V11 keep.
I don't do vulgar.
ngifaye ngaphi.
So today we have an audience member.
Thina sizayifaka ezi-pop up.
I can
No,
send a screenshot
ikhiphe
zakho.
kodwa sifuna ukuyibona.
Sendele
Sifuna
screenshot
ukuyibala.
sifake ku-pop up mase upload.
So today we have an audience member who actually came to the pod.
To see us
Welcome,
in person.
welcome,
All the
welcome.
way from
Welcome
UK.
to
Boop, boop, boop,
Welcome.
boop.
akupress wena. Upressite hiyo yini?
Magonya.
Salibonani.
Oh,
Sawubona Ntubu njani?
Mina ngiyaphila njani?
right. So the
Siyabonga ukuthi usigracile ngepresence yakho.
the lady is
Hayi,
being
mina ngibonga
served
lini
with
elinilethe
alcohol.
Can't remember leyo tshwala.
Wait, did you use a sign of the cross?
Yes.
For wine, yes. It makes
How?
sense.
How?
My
Uthanda
gosh.
uJesu, is that a problem?
No, it's fine.
No.
For us, it's like, oh, okay. It
She's
makes
Roman
sense.
Catholic also, yeah.
Yeah, so a Catholic.
No, I
it
know why I'm
makes
doing
sense.
that.
No, I say we judge.
Ongifakela efela.
No, also I'm like angizange ngikhulekele amanzi engwanathi ayo. Ngafa.
To be holy water.
Yeah, no, like ukuthi njengokuthi yena senatha ama place so right.
Mina vele ngiyadweba isibambana ngidlala. Ongifakela isifa sonke.
Altar wine imnandi kulekazi.
Ini?
Altar wine, it's nice.
Yeah, it is nice.
It is nice.
I-percentage yankhona.
It's the one.
It is nice. Church just ngaswele altar wine wabethenga Montelo.
Lathi.
Catholics in the house.
Hey, shayo Montelo vele.
2008 I'm sure babedinga i-green vine.
Mina
Hayi
Kanti
ngathi
imontelo kanjani? Ngiyopheka.
sengikhulile
Imontelo kwini?
ngiwayini
Yeba,
esetshenziswe.
tis-aram senkosi.
Ukuthi mina anginathi mina so I'm
No,
confused.
it's a sweet
No,
wine.
it's
It's a
used.
sweet wine.
Yeah, it's like
It's very
it's a sherry.
strong.
I think it's a sherry. It's not
Ayisiyo
even a
lana
wine.
ethengiswa
I think
imbodleni
i-percentage
brown.
yankhona
Ilesivimbo esiyi-red so.
Yiyo nale. Yeah, yes.
Ibhodlela yankhona i-transparent. Iwine yankhona i-strong. That's why it looks brown.
Aye.
Yeah, the bottle is actually
Very-
transparent.
Yeah, it is.
The bottle is transparent.
The wine
It's
is
just the
that
one
red.
that's very like dark colored, but it's very,
It's
very, 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 very strong.
Waka
Nabe
21
siyafuna
wine.
ukuthi
Ukhona waka 21 echeche.
Bese ngifuna ukutshontsha uthi
Utshontsha
ngajoyinela ukuba ngaba
Ama-saver.
liseva. Just cause I want.
Ah, but
wine.
Nazi Amaseva, we never used to do that. We never
Mina
actually.
noma
Oh,
kuthiwa
wait,
ngawenza.
okay.
We would
Ngcwele,
never.
ngcwele.
We
Look
would
at you
never.
blowing up my spot.
We would
For us
never.
to- Anyways, it's fine.
Wena
So-
watshontsha yini?
Me, I've always been a good guy.
Usibuza njengomuntu experienced.
No,
Yakwazi
no,
besithi
Lo muntu
ulathi.
ayenje isitori sakuthi ba-21 altar wine ngamabhodi.
Yebo.
Okay, that makes sense now.
So speaking of alcohol, Bulawayo women apparently Bulawayo consume
Blume.
more alcohol than any other women in any other province in the Zimbabwean, in the country called Zimbabwe.
I think that's a lie, hey?
It's a study that's been done actually.
No.
It's an official
Study
study.
yokunuka.
It's an official study.
Propaganda against Bulawayo Pota.
Ukuthi mina ngaqala ukukhuluma nje.
I'm not sure if
Yabona,
you're
othi,
sure.
I think that's a lie.
Tell us. Tell us. Kule propaganda.
I think they should have told us which one we not more during the
image
TF time.
tarnishing.
Do you guys think kodwa that's really a thing? Like
Kuqala
ukuthi sibili
kodwa-
abantu they want to put down ibulayi so much they always have like ilo yena leyo ifaka yena le anti ukuthi ithiwa bulayi women.
theories.
So they always put conspiracy theory. Enye futhi kwakuyilona ethiwa abantu abagulayo or something HIV.
Yebo. Kwakuthiwa ama-higher.
Alala
La.
nje correct wena babepamanisirani ama journalist
Hayi,
lapha.
kule propaganda
Aso
ebhoda.
propaganda liyanatha.
Wena
It's not
lapha
a bad thing, Pela. It's not like I'm saying it's a bad thing. We're just
what
saying
are you
they
saying?
consume. If they do the start again next year, unata more kuzera in December. Kudliwa ama-plans for 4 December. And there's other people remembering a trade fair.
Yebo.
That's most of the time when this alcohol is probably
Wait,
drinking.
Nana.
Angazi.
I don't think that's true.
Mina nathi water.
Mina nathi apple juice.
Yeah. Shares go babes. Shares. Love it for you guys.
Athi wena ukhuluma amanga ngathi abafazi bebulawayo vele abanathi.
Namanga.
You're not saying it while sleeping. Eh?
Yes.
That's
Makes it
diabolical.
So yeah.
I've never done something like that.
It's insane. It's wild.
Do you drink alcohol?
Yes. I do.
Why ngambuzi mina?
Sengaqamba amanga.
You are drinking alcohol. You are drinking alcohol. You are drinking alcohol.
Ngambuzi
You
mina.
are
No,
drinking
wena,
alcohol.
just because it's in a class, in a wine class.
Okay, you drink alcohol.
Mbuzi.
Mina
Be
ngakwanisa
rational.
ukuthela amanzi ku-wine glass. Does that make it wine? No.
Honest.
Jesus turned
Umbuzo
Jesus
wokuthiwa
turned
you
water
drink
into wine.
alcohol.
To red wine. Is this red? No.
No, who said it was red wine?
It was red.
Says who?
Says Jesus, my cousin.
Blasphemy.
This is the law.
Jeka amalokuzini amajewudaba akufuni khona
Sorry?
okay blasphemy.
Aman-
Ama-Jehovah's Witness. bayateach
Abo bo-
i-blasphemy.
Ugogo wami li-Jehovah's Witness. Ngingakhulumi ngabe ngawo.
Ubhuti lowo la
Ugogo kwakunjani?
Ugogo wami li-Jehovah's Witness.
Sontani.
Yeah,
Mina
but no
nangisonta
shade.
iCubana mina.
Do you know the Jehovah's Witness Church?
Cubana
Ngisonta iCubana.
Jehovah's Witness Church in Russia it's considered a cult, a terrorist organization. Cult of terror. Yeah. That's
So
what it's
wafika?
in Russia. No, that's what Russia said.
So uzwe ngabantu.
No, it's actually public knowledge.
Yeah, no uqinisile. Yeah. I think ilokhuzeni i-JW.
Udake umbufuna utshwala.
no
Yeah. Ngiyomfuna ijo.
Because ukhuluma uthi like
Hayi ngiyadlala ngiyakutesta mfuna into knowledge is strong in.
Uthole live away from the comment section.
Jane, I feel like when you wall ngani Twitter wall, does it not feel like it? Does it not
Ngathi
feel like
personal.
we're spectating
No, ngiyambuza
a
kodwa.
Twitter wall live and direct?
No. I hope it doesn't see.
What-
Hayi
what-
ngicela ukuxolisa.
Can you tell me what your
Ngiyangithanda.
Jehovah's Witness story? What I know they've come to your houses. Like tell us a story about your experience with Jehovah's Witness guys.
I pretended to
Oh, yes.
You pretended to what?
mani nditshela
Kuruma silale.
wafika ngiyi-one endlini
Okay.
mina ngapretenda angani kule ritual engifuna ukuyenza so ngakhipha amakhandlela uyabona lana i-red blue what athi xa ukhuluma igibberish into vele engingayazi angani vele sengifuna ukuperform i-ritual ngisithi ngifuna lina lingisindise umoya wona lowo ongishayayo abaxotshanga batshengisa ngumnyango bahamba bodwa like literally that's what I did and I've never seen any Jehovah's since that time.
Wow.
Well, you have to do what you
Okay.
have to do.
Your story. It can't be Western.
It can't be.
But okay.
No, I did it for pure fun.
I have a friend who's
No, your
Jehovah's-
story.
I have
Okay.
a friend who's
Wow,
Jehovah's
okay.
Witness, right?
Mhm.
I went to school with
Khuluma
her,
abangani benu.
right?
Wala
And then-
bogogo benu.
Man. But mina ngiyamsebenzisa umngani
Kuseki,
wami.
Jane.
Rather ibizo lakhe. Bengabuya ngiqamba amanga every time ngithi dala ngiyenza ama Bible study ngisonta labo bani bafundisa.
Wow.
So I thought that was a lesser lie, but now that sengisizoka Jane sembona ukuthi
No,
I
you
have
to
a
do
chance.
it. Did you see that video that trended on TikTok? Kudala, like a guy. Wabuya abantu beJehovah's Witness bangena. Wabatshengisa omunye umnyango esithi ngena room inde. Umnyango
Yeah.
wangikhona wathi
Le
wavula,
sign
it
yami
was like a
ekhethe.
steep item. So they would fall over.
Okay.
Fall over and
Like you open the door to the next room and then
Yeah, but
bangena, they would fall
bawela
over
ngale.
phansi bekuwa.
So my aunt, may also rest in peace, was a Jehovah's Witness. And so those guys don't celebrate birthdays, right?
yeah, they
Okay.
don't.
But she would,
Oh.
Yeah, they don't.
she used
Christmas
to call
or
me.
birthday.
She used to call me and say happy birthday. Like she was that cool. Like wangela, like she would have a 6 like child. Like wangela, she was not that too,
Yeah.
rigid about it,
Yeah.
right? She was actually cool. And a friend of mine who was Jehovah's Witness like my birthday. Like I was asking my celebrate my birthday. Rapana in a very we are me explaining. Happy birthday.
Yeah.
Yeah. But my experience with Jehovah's Witness, I was with my grandmother. But me figure mnyango kwa yeah, sibe we food laba hey, yabacoca njani na food. So what ngena? What die? Libona khona ba have very posana very mfeni umzukuru wami sandwich ukuthi sokufika futhi sazonthatha.
As le trick and ma ufuna ukuthi like permanent lan.
Yeah.
Yabona balamabhuku abo, the ones that they always advertise,
Yeah.
the popular ones. All you need to learn is 3 of them or 2. Ma befika ukuthi vele I'm reading this one ile ransom leli. But what chapter you not don't know? Umuntu emfunda la uyabuya kusasa. Covered. Abaphenduki futhi.
Kati kamranda achecha manga ren.
Yeah, it was so kunjengani.
Kamera-
No. This is theoretically.
Awala
Theoretical.
flavor wezuqambela ugogo wakho umfundisi kuyafanana.
Ngefanana.
Ezulwini asuze bekubuze khonokho. I actually don't know.
We are
I
one.
really just- I really just said that out of nowhere.
Yeah.
I don't know. Ezulwini, you guys are gonna have to
Like
answer
you
to
literally pulled that
everything.
out of your ass.
Do you think ukuthi ezulwini like ujesu like bazasikhangelisa izono zethu nge-screen like isi
Yebo.
I'd rather not.
Kuthake kule projector.
onozongo bani
No, I'd rather not.
So someone here, hey, kule sana afaka endlini yakhe la isibalayo la. No soliciting. We are too broke to buy anything. We know who we are voting for. We have found Jesus. Seriously, unless you are giving away beer, please go away.
I want
that
that
can work.
on my gate. I don't
Ne para pure of dogs. Ngabona bengena kazi ukongota bithi who who.
Ini?
Ne para pure of
Are
dogs.
you mimicking your dog right now?
I'm saying who who.
I've never left you speechless before.
Yeah, yeah. I'm like
She
who
really
who.
got you off
Who who.
guard.
Yeah, again.
You have 2 wars, like you're managing 2 Twitter wars.
I mean, I need it loud.
I actually have 2 beautiful dogs.
Oh.
Yeah.
Pretty.
Beautiful dogs. But Brita irotwala lani ngathi. Goren. I forgot what they did.
But they are your, these are your
No.
babies.
Oh, those dogs are amazing. Yeah.
How
I'm going
are
to
you
see them tomorrow
managing-
actually.
How are you
Yeah,
managing
access.
being a dog father?
No. You know what happens? Like
upset as
Jaguars,
you
like if you video call,
Yeah.
if you video call, they know the voices.
Zilo nene endlini. Like osala wena nxa ungekho.
Like that's where my dad is, right? So when you do a video call, like Jaguars have voices abantu. Serious, Jaguars have voices abantu. Serious.
izinja zakho
Jaguars have
ziyavideo
voices
call
about Josh and everyone. Like they know the voices now. I'm telling you, they know the voices now. I want to say video call. I'm telling you.
Okay.
Musimba
Where
no Bruno.
where do your dog
Ngubani?
Mfiki.
Musimba.
Musimba lo Bruno.
Musimba.
Musimba.
chips?
Kule simo mzonjayo.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Okay.
Usimba like from Lion King.
Yeah.
Angisimba lenkosi ngeke.
Kani guys speaking of izinja like labona kuyilokhu izinokhyano someone obulewe i-pitbull
Pitbull
That
story.
30-year-old
kani
guy.
why abantu kathi also there was that guy
It's
wabulawa
not a pure
lapho
breed,
yabe ngaso pure breed
Vele, if you cross a pit with something else, it becomes.
do you think it's because of breed
untenable.
or it's more because of ukuthi like abantu abazimaintaini kahle you know different dogs different treatment training whatnot and so nxa nje aggressive njenge
Ublack kumele benomgaqa. Usport, buspite.
Bull-Rex
Not anything else. Except if you're a white person like me, you can own a Rottweiler. Right. That reminds me of Rottweiler to Jazzy. Jazzy.
No,
Jazzy.
we're not pretending as if you did not.
Jazzy, right?
No.
What?
We're not pretending as if you didn't say what you just said.
I did.
Like we all heard you. You said you're white and we're sitting right next
So
to you.
Jazzy
If a white person said they are black, we wouldn't understand. Why are you getting away with saying you're white?
Let me explain.
Explain
So
yourself.
Jazzy.
Not Jazzy.
Yeah, but I'm explaining through the dog. Jazzy wakukhulisa amakhiwa, right? So sasisinikwa tuni Jazzy because of my sister-in-law, right? Jazzy why racist? Why is the under abamnyama guys wayekonkota? Like wayekonkota abantu abamnyama except for me and my sister. And
you
my
and
other
your
niece.
sister are white.
Like yeah,
And your niece.
wayekonkota abantu abamnyama. Njengowafika umuntu omnyama wayekonkota uJazzy. Like ungabuthuthi umuntu omnyama uJazzy wayekonkota. But I liked how Jazzy would walk me up on things ngegada. And then nxa ntambama yacemelele.
I'm a foot with a manga.
I'm telling you the truth. Like you guys, have you ever stayed with dogs? Ezizofutheki phela lini.
selikonkoti
Nina
please
ezinto zabafutheki phela lini.
Hloniphile,
No,
guys.
ezinto zabafutheki.
Like, I really try to hold on. but
Izinja zenye phela zizofutheki. Izinja zizofutheki. Yi-problem.
No,
Your dog,
like-
yazi
But
izinja zenye
ifutheki is an
ngezodumo.
international
Ngezodumo.
thing.
Izinja zenye ngezodumo.
Futek is a
Izinja
Dutch word.
zontobo. Izinja
Ngahlangana
zenkomponi.
le pitbull engakwazi ufutheke.
Yeah,
Ikho
it's
lapha
an
ngabona ukuthi
African,
ufa
it's derived
kulula.
from an African, I think. Must be
andabona
Dutch. It's
ukuthi
definitely
izinja zenye
Dutch.
zinkompona
Not exactly, but yeah.
I mean,
Some-
One of the
very
same-
similar.
but it's
They
same
are-
thing.
they are
Manganese.
like Guni languages, like
Ufutsek, it's
Zulu,
a Dutch word.
yeah.
But anyways, let's
So,
circle
sorry,
back, rewind.
if you want to uthatha imic ukukhuluma my sister.
Ngithi mina ufutsek it's a Dutch word because angithi futsek from Afrikaans.
Yeah.
And then
Futsek.
remember, Afrikaans Vele has got a little bit of Dutch and a bit of German.
Yes.
Yeah.
Since they are the ones vele abacolonizayo.
Angizwa?
Since yibo vele abacolonizayo.
Angithi
What's
remember phela mind you ukuthi these people when they came vele babekhona abanye ababekhona khona lapho but who were less privileged. So yikho lapho kwaqala khona iAfrikaans. It's not like ukuthi vele all those white people.
The poor ones.
Yes, the poor ones, labani minority ababengani
Laba
izinto azikho
bevele
sharp.
emajele.
Yeah, yes. So that's where that whole thing came about, the Afrikaans.
They literally gave us their gangsters and they were like, sir, in Africa, go and deal with them.
Not going to shout out to Find ADA
Anyways,
and opulent Allah.
we learned something new, Jane.
Eh?
Everybody, Mafoti is white.
That's why I see the white hair on your head.
he's white.
That's
Turning us. That's so
I was going
Why
with the flow.
are we talking about my hair now?
Is it?
Come
I
from?
was
Like,
going with the
okay,
flow.
so
And-
what's your white name?
So, guys, what happened? What happened
Wait,
this week?
He does have a white. What's his name? Ebed.
No, I don't do such names.
You are happy.
No.
Happy, fully loaded.
Herb.
No, you my name is like that. No.
Herb.
No,
His
my
name
name
is Herbert.
What is your white
Hubert.
name?
Hubert.
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 That's your name.
Hubert.
What's his name?
Yeah, that's why my email is like 18 love. Like, I'm
Generally,
Hubert.
Your email, but
Oh, okay, you are not friends. So my friends know my
I know
email.
me. I will fetch you, bro.
No, they are
I will
colleagues.
fetch you from your
They are
grandmother's yard.
I'm not
Episode won't
friends.
end without me justifying myself.
What?
I take.
So Besati, what happened this week? What happened?
Hubert.
In Jam. You be.
This is why people don't know my name.
You be.
Because I grew up around the shown imaginary, like told them my name. Yuba. Guys, the way they were calling my brother Donald
What's your real name?
Hubert Dumisani Ndlovu.
Umtumi, tum.
So manje uma-40 vela ngapha manje.
Hi.
Nasiyabe sibuya sidinga uma-40 lapha.
I don't know how you got that
Mafort
name.
is my nickname
his
and my
stage
stage
name.
name.
How did you get Mafoti?
No one is supposed to know. No one is supposed to know.
We want to know.
Only my friends know. Yeah, like only my friends know.
Yabe semithi usisa hambe edinga uma-40
Kulama 40,
amswele.
kulama 40, kulama 50, kulama 60, kulama 90, kulama 70. It's our names that we give each other as friends. Yeah, silly thing.
Jane ubuhlungu ngendaba yama-friendships le ngicela u-accept i-friend request ka-Jane.
Hayi angisafuni.
Friend request
Every
month.
Yagcina sothaya mkhomi abe ngizidlalela bra.
Yeah.
Mina
Wa
umngani
colleagues.
wami.
Well,
Wena usomngani
mina ndingabangani wami lonke lethu.
It's okay vele abantu even abantu baningi bejola kodwa ngingalikhombela ngathi sinditshela ukuthi mbana ku relationship yethu. For example, you Akadlala.
Wakhombela wena Jake, yabona?
Ngiyadlala. I know bengisisho ukuthi
Sinjani? Qedisa.
siyakwazi ukuba ku friendship sodwa. Lethi wena ujola wedwa but i-girlfriend yakho yayithanda. Yona.
Really love. Yazi
Mane. Ubusithi ami
when it
girlfriend
comes to-
yenzeni?
Do you know what happens?
Eke.
Oh yeah, okay.
Do you know?
Poswanchayisa ngekhanda.
Ah no I.
Like there's something I was reading today. Two clever people can't fall in love. True love needs one idiot.
Vele, you must dump down.
Kwamele ule
Your
stamp
IQ
down
for love.
Kwamele ule clown one kuna pia.
One more time, Uteni. Two
Yeah,
idiot,
because
what?
if you
Two
use
loves.
like
Can't-
if
two
you
clever
use your
people
brain
can't
to
fall in
think
love.
during a relationship,
For true love to
you
exist,
see
there
why
needs to be
you're
one
supposed to stay
idiot.
single.
Yeah, uqinisile. Khona imele abe lesidima kancane engane ya.
One umele Zimir.
ezinamhla mbuze
Can you give your mic nxa ikhuluma man?
Yeah.
Can you give your mic?
ezinamhla kulo muntu engimbuze
ngithi
ngathi
mina kodwa ngubani khonapho ongavuma ukuthi uyabe lesidima engani ulesidimira kancane
Wazivumile
ku-relationship yakho
uvumile uvuma ngabe khona. Uyabe khona.
asivumeni kodwa sonkeni ukuthi sesaye saba
How we have all
yizidima
been
khona la
clowns.
mina bangifaka
We
ku-special
have- mina amaningi ngaba ngudoing ngaba ngwajikijala like I've been all the clowns that you know.
mina
Yona nokawuthi that movie It, I've been there.
mina ngabona ngihlekwa
I've
ngumgcini
been there.
ngabona ukuthi bangifake e-special class uyezwa
Guys,
umgcini wathi kimi waze wakalipostori mngani wami nguwopostayo yena kakuposti we lama numbers ethu so yithi yazi ngathi
What did happen?
Mana
when
ngikutshela
you see
i-trick,
an
Jane.
ex, you feel like
yazi thi kufana lani kufana lento leyo ukuthi uyatshintsha ithiwa yini ibizo ususithi baby instead of ibizo lakho uthi Dumisani vele
Vele
ungaqali the
lifake
moment
ibizo le-iCloud.
you write
Zwana.
baby or
Mina
love or
ngitshitshi
what
iCloud ngafaka isibongo sakhe
wena don't do that
mina I've never
because it's
changed.
like I feel like it's like you're jinxing yourself
ngitshitshi iCloud ngabhala Jane
vele I don't do that
isibongo sakhe
Mina
athengiyala so vele mangilalela
So iCloud yakho-
uzizwa kanjani
Ecloud yakho vipi sayini?
hayi ngayidilitha but yapilokhu iphopha so yaphopha phela sengilo new bag wathi kanti uJane wathi mbani ngathi ngugogo
Ah, yeah, you've been a clown.
I'm so embarrassed
You've been a clown.
Habra, umgcini wasentshela. You know when you bump into an ex, you feel all types of confused. You know? You start thinking, could have been. Ngathi ngikhumbula ukuthi wangenzani yazi ngokusithi ngimkhafulele yazi indlela engahlekwa ngayo and everyone knows you're being made a clown
Except you,
wana mani
except you.
wena babe kuchathe enyayini to a point ukuthi wena uzofika usufunga utshintsha le surname ungakachati yabona lawo lapha namanye usudelulu lapha kumele unganywa sometimes you need to
Ngesikhathi sakho ungakuboni bra. Uyabungakuboni.
wena unxa ungakubona usule
Ungakuboni
problem
bra. Ukubona suphumile lokho. Lokho ukubona suphawu ukuthi phalaphana ngayenziswa lapha. Ya nakayidisco. Labo usibona lawo sudweba eyebrows bonga ukuthi iclown.
Shout out to Umgcine for being a traitor to the brotherhood.
to the what? For being a traitor.
what do you mean traitor brother say Stefan
No, he wasn't a traitor, bro.
wow.
I'm his friend. Unlike you.
traitor to the brotherhood ngenjani
Ayindaba leyo.
Indaba personal le.
Jane
Oh.
wenzakalani
Engangitshelanga mina ngangasuze ngibone vele.
engasitshelanga
Obviously wangitshela
Kazi
ngakho.
ngemva kwendaba.
But anyway, that's not
Daughter,
the
pay attention,
Guys,
pay
no
attention.
but we
Mana
did
ngikutshela
discuss
ukuthi-
this though Jane one of the previous
Yes, we did.
17 something
Kusho ukuthi I was that traumatized.
yeah we spoke
Ngikhombile.
about it ukuthi are we saying anything and we agreed ukuthi I asithiyelo
yazi ukuthi MJ the nice part at least you were being told by a
So-
guy
Yeah?
I mean, you were being told by a guy. That's why I think kwaba le into le
When you're being told by a guy,
yes, you get what I'm saying. When MJ right now mangjola mina and then a guy is, you know, uyangidlala and yeah.
I think
Uyazi
wouldn't
ukuthi why?
trust a
Do you know
girl
why?
more than I wouldn't
No,
trust
of course
a guy.
ngizamlalela uMJ ukuthi uthini, but
Yeah.
akula impact nje uma forte ngabuya zonjata ndoda lapha.
Yeah.
Vele ngizalalela because he's seeing it from a guy's
Male
perspective.
perspective. Yeah.
You understand? MJ usengakutsho because we are girls and she's looking out for
Now
me,
look-
but akula that thing.
Now
No,
look,
and
bro.
also because your friend could be the one wanting to
Mina kulo program
Shy you
every
with
year.
this
He makes it a point every year program to remind me to check yakumbula pala kwaba you clown lapha. Like I don't know why he finds the time every year uyahambe ethatha screenshot ayigcinayo ukuthi check yakhumbula la. Check yakhumbula la. Like why would you do that to me? As if umuntu ebhizen trigger.
he's
Bizen trigger.
no
yeah.
uyakulwela he remembers how dumb like how
When
miserable
that girl got
time
married,
was.
when that girl got married, hamba wathatha ipicture kankazana esanda kuchata kuFacebook wafika yathi egroupini wathi congratulations. Ngithi ngiyavuna mbona kari bra
Ex yakho.
umchito wami efake ex wami phela ukuthi isithi congratulations ex wami egroupini yethu.
How did that feel?
Hawu promo guys.
yazi
Yes,
I love how you're supportive and but also we need to be cognizant of the fact that U40 could have been a terrible person in that relationship where you were a nice person in that.
I was the nicest of them.
We're
But
taking also
You
like
tried
we're
to
taking
act
it
pragmatic
with a
about
pinch
it,
of
huh?
salt because you are a father of 2 dogs and you're white. So we really can't believe you were
What if umngane wakho wayezama ukumtshengisa ukuthi wadotsha ibullet
You were
guys?
not at fault in this particular relationship. So that's why I can't exactly
I'm not allowed
believe
to talk
you.
about this.
I'm
relationship.
sorry.
Let me try and paint out how the relationship went about.
Okay, Sakopala Savannah.
Yeah,
Okay,
I was
yeah.
given by Savannah,
Oh yeah.
Oh.
even the sexual,
Oh.
and I don't drink alcohol. So
Unlike
so
Bulawayo.
this is how the guys think and this is how the relationship went down.
Ngizakuhleka sorry makuhlekisa.
Mina uqala
Sebehlaba
sezohleka.
Sengihleka. Ngakhulumi.
So this is what happened. Yaqala into lena ukuthi ngaqala ngizithi ngidla ngicatsha yabona.
Oh.
Right? Ngawela.
What's Nikki Link? What catch my feeling?
Right. Oh, yeah, come flip.
Wiki lawe.
For we are many who partake of what?
Iphathelele yedwa kumele uyikhiphe estorini.
I still make a story Sam.
Oh.
I think because I don't really talk about it, right? So, kwaba yi full blown thing, man. Umuntu wa disappear for some months, man. Waphenduka a full blown thing. So ngesikhathi very serious very remember ngihamba 40. So I don't know why in my head I thought it him umchita. I'm the main guy now. Umuntu walochoro.
During.
Yeah, no, she was.
During.
No.
Hayi mina benzithi lahlukana.
But no.
During.
No. Darling, I'm a sneaky.
Awukhipha njalo.
Let's take a moment.
sorry.
Let's take a moment.
Ankana.
Ukuyakhala.
Do you know why? Do you know what happened?
Wow, need.
Like, you're stupid.
Guys, I don't know how I convinced myself that saying God because umuntu every time ulama umuntu lo. You get my point?
But you were still sneaky links. You were
Mina,
not confident.
I was being told I love you.
Yeah, but
you're
Uyakuthanda
man.
is a sneaky link.
No. Guys, you don't understand.
Mafoti.
Kwakungaso
Mina
ngicela
bengikuthembile.
umnika ama-advice bandla.
Angike
Label
advice
things.
asumngani wami. Anyway.
Touch is a move. Touch is a move. Touch is a move. Sibele
Guys,
move.
mbana kwazi uhlabelela.
Nanya. Sorry.
I used to. What's up? I used
Kulo
to.
muntu ufuna simhlabelele.
Which song?
It's her birthday. It's Ashley's birthday today.
Who's Ashley?
Obani laba
That
bantu.
baby girl sitting over there.
In what?
Asiyenze nini?
Baby girl was
Ashley, shout out to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday
to you.
Yahweh.
kumele siphinde wakhona balama voice nayo.
Sizayiphinda.
Why?
The white in you are like, what the fuck?
Mafoti.
Abana ifike khona.
Ama-statistics wakho waye bengakhuluma ukuthi eBlawayo kulabafazi abahle njani.
I want
to give you an example. Right? Like this past weekend.
Yeah.
On the 31st of May. Who Nijet Soul and friends.
Yeah.
Shout out to Nijet Soul. Boo 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 boo.
Boo 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 boo.
It was a successful.
Press on kika one
brilliant
nje. Yakhala
show.
upupu. Echa screenshot na press on.
Even one.
Wow.
It was beautiful. And the women. It was less niggas and more bitches.
As bemfung.
Less niggas and
Jane.
more bitches.
Mvubuza something and
What?
like there's something I've noticed.
Mm.
Like we're all one community, and there's some people who are here, some people who are, and most of your audience is like, you know, overseas,
Everyone,
and, overseas and whatnot. And
Yeah.
so like, I'm sure now how about how many people do you get on a day? So send them videos. Do people actually get that pressure still? Or is it just like about to when they leave, they just move on?
Status.
Problem is I set good
Live
data,
update.
set good data.
Yento yonke ebulawayo.
Also, 30,
Also, this podcast acts as a connect. Most people say we connect them to the country.
Yeah, you do.
That's
you
what
do.
I've heard.
You do.
They said if it wasn't for the podcast, they'd probably feel more detached.
But you probably keep her every Monday. I'm going to keep her twice a week.
Nisnikani mali. Let's
Malini.
talk more dollars.
Anika khulu me price.
Let's
And
talk.
ubukhala.
No, you just give us whatever.
Really tissue. I wasn't crying.
No, you're white after all. You can be in touch with your feelings.
Vele episode leyo ngokuchisana kuphela.
No, because when you didn't want to
Umuntu otshisiwe yi-1.
Anyway,
Anywho.
Sorry mngani wami. Sorry.
Zarithola. Anyway,
Masiposta amamimi lapha wokuthi uye umfana bayamlobolela umfazi. Wena uyabuthule nje.
Lo lokhuzeni uThombani uEnzo wathi ehlabela ingoma lana wayihlabela.
Oriphi? Unani?
Baby rakora rorwa. Baby
But
rakora
Noise.
But yeah, it is what it is, man.
Ngikubuza something.
Yeah.
Did you feel pain because she was yours or Mnandi?
Oh.
Both.
You lost Mnandi woman. You're a fool.
Itisha Muntweni.
But hey, Paul.
Drops mic.
Nazali
tshela ukuthi uthe
Shyness.
No.
uthe
Almost something. You.
Yeah.
Yeah. Damn.
Quickly.
Anyway.
Into le mfungo into le inhluphile
See,
enhlizweni
if you watch this, what you
See,
did, yo.
No, we're cool friends. No, we're cool
anze
friends now.
umunati ngihlanganisa ama-language angu-2
We're cool friends. We're cool friends.
i-cool friend
We're cool friends. Yeah.
Cool.
lengakho nje ngeke kwekule nije yani
Being friends with your exes.
I'm the coolest ex ever. All my exes were cool.
You're
Like-
not even a cool friend. What the fuck are you talking about?
You're not my friend, so I can't be a cool friend. You
That's
cannot-
what I mean.
Yeah, well, that's what I got.
How can you be a cool ex? You're not a cool
Like, I'm the
colleague.
coolest. Like I talk to all my exes. Like I'm the coolest. Like I ain't a problem with most of my exes. Like I ain't a problem with my exes.
kale khona
Ntuba u-10.
Fucking red flag. How can you say that with your chest?
No, serious. Like, I don't
What are
know,
you
man.
even saying,
I
bro?
don't hate them. They don't hate me.
And
Life
then
moves
to
on.
Everyone, like, would you let your significant other speak to their exes?
Yini abayikhuluma mbanofile.
Wakuhethayo. Like that guy.
Guys, mina ngiyakwazi feeling leyani. I-chemistry ayifi. Uyakwazi
Okay.
ukuthi just because you're with someone else doesn't mean you love them.
so umuntu enijula la emaye wawajula lo someone else
Alithandani. Abakuthande wena. Bakwenzela ifavor. Don't trust
Then
something.
as but this is a love. What balambile panje.
waye ngwanitshela ngalokho izolo ngicela ngihambe
So, but listen, mina,
Uvala
with all my exes, our okay, all my exes,
Ebhasini.
all my exes, right? And I think my exes are like conference or convention or something, right? Because every year they get the Christmas card, they all say hi to me at the same time. But anyway,
Because you are white.
so for me, it's like most of my breakups were not that bad.
Oh.
Like they were not that bad. Mutual agreement and stuff, right?
bona kona
You're not
omunye
that
phela
bad.
mele
I'm as if I'm telling, I remember budget I check. I don't think this is working for me.
It's not you. It's
My
me.
friend used to tell me, "Mfazi kayalo."
Ufite ukuba flat man.
Yeah, if you 230, it's not you. It's
No. Me, if it's not working for me, it's not working for. I'm not gonna lie and string you along, because I don't wanna be strung along too. So that's all I got,
white
right?
people don't have time.
So I tell my science and I'm cool with my exes. We talk, bro. Like I'm a problem.
akumelanga ube njalo nje
Why?
cabanga so ufake example leyani
Yeah.
asithi sikufake example mipinxe ebhora
Yeah.
wena nti ube yiScotland FC ungathola ukukhama billiard oseyalwe ngapha la ngapha la ngapha anye ukuthi umuntu oyi-Real Madrid oyethatha ama-player blind quality is always important
Okay.
so like put like yabona equality and
Yeah.
bayaphenduka maybe abangaso quality abaphenduki ngaba cool
I don't know. Yimi nahleka mbo lahlekile.
Ngizwa mina vele lithini. Ngiyazi ukuthi liyakhuluma.
Yeah, example iphaka useveli ibuffet champion la. Take it to the top, brother. Hey,
They didn't
Mfana
warn you,
Mafoti.
Damn.
They didn't warn you.
Damn.
And that time I'm off peak.
Bro, I'm trying to make out to come and
Give him time to explain.
ayabona ngalokho ngi-experience ngu-Steve Kompela mbhizi ngizama ukuthi no I meant this no it's okay
and I
sihlekele
want ingqondo
Ah,
yami
but bakuphi?
egqokise sifakwe
Bengifuna ukuyifaka
kukonkoti.
but example yami kodwa right.
uthini kanti mina kanzwanga
Manini guys, manini.
Yeah. Go start.
No sendle
Wasakho ngiyabhona maybe
nhlona.
bona.
Okay, mfaka enye example la.
Yeah,
Mfaka enye example.
uyabona ukuthi ku-comment section isibindi asikho la
Eh.
No.
Hey, bafaka ingqondo zakho. Ungafaka ingqondo
Welcome to the
zejonki.
BYO.
Iyakonkota. Ehe.
But liyakonkota. No, that one was
Sibambile mic
that
kathesi.
one was a lokuze. No, that was
Sibambile
Napa
mic
the lokuze.
kathesi.
I know example nxa
Yeah, so
yali.
give us a better example. A more sensible example. Give us the example.
All right.
I
Yeah. Manini.
You see the brain that you use every day, Liana, for more important things. Use it now.
Okay. Asenze so.
in other words bakubuza ukuthi
Uyacabanga yini?
mawuchapha umgwaqo yingqondo
Ayacabanga yini?
That's
No,
what the job asks.
okay.
It was not.
uthi yingqondo isebenzisa ama-days agcina ngo-y which is every day. I just felt I needed to explain.
Welcome to BIO. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the BIO podcast.
Okay, I see you. Lala ngithi endlini guys.
Yeah.
Yeah, but listen,
Ekhanda
as far as my
lakho
exes are concerned, I'm cool with them.
No, let him explain his thing. Can I be the peacemaker? Just explain your
No peacemaker. Like it's
No, we want to hear what you
Antu lapha siyadlala.
No,
Okay. No, sorry. No. As Jake wenzama ukuyifaka nje. But sinanzeli example ngendlela ngifake ngayo.
Wena sujayele ukutheba ukeyboard abasubamba imic. Different thing.
No, imic ngiyesa.
Yeah, so go ahead. Simelele wena.
You guys said a whole lot of vulgar shit. Like, you can just glide past.
No, you have a dirty mind.
Mana.
It was an example. It was an antidote
You
that I
have
used
a
for
dirty
you.
mind.
You are the nasty one. You're the one who's here to send the cat. Yeah.
All right. Sharp.
Right, so
Bengzam-
can we move along or you still coming up with an example?
He wants to.
Yazi ngicela ukurevenge ekucineni right.
Oh, all right.
Angifuna ukugive up but ngicela ukurevenge ekucineni.
Okay, so
Uround 1
No, can you
bangehlule
give us your
right.
say she's
But
not okay with the ex's thing?
Yeah. What's your take?
Ango right, man.
Yeah, why?
Like Bella Ovumi.
Angeke right.
Lawa uvunyelwa.
Angeke right. Ngifuna justice.
Why?
Hayi vele hayi.
Why
Clean
in?
page, clean slate nje yonke into ayibe clean.
Okay.
But get this. Now from where I am,
No, sorry.
from where I am, right? I'm bound to interact with these people anyhow. Right?
Uyazi ukuthini
Yeah.
kuyadependa. It's okay. If you have a child with that person, we can excuse that.
I don't have children.
You
Actually,
understand?
it's worse.
No, let me tell you something. Mina, right now, I'm a baby mama to someone else.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And if I tell you that relationship with that guy, me and that person, like, uyazi ukuthi sometimes,
Actually,
like,
never heard you speaking of.
you've heard me
that.
talk about this, right? Like, we are so cordial. I even talk to his woman.
Oh.
Ma kumele,
Which is what
I
you
need,
do,
yes,
yeah.
if I need anything for my child, I speak to her. And me and her, siyamgossipha lo muntu lo. Ndodakala mali. Yes.
I mean, like
Me and that girl, trust you me, I kid you not. Siyagossipha, simgossipha ubhuti lo.
Yeah,
Ukuthi she literally texts me ukuthi Amanda akala mali namuhla. This month kushubile ndoda. Ngithi yebo all right.
All right.
Next month uyangitextela imessage anjela ukuthi uyasithini ngimthengela usize 6 right yini. Kumbe ubufuna ikhale ired kumbe ubufuna iblue. Bese ngithi hayi okay sharp.
Yeah.
Thenga ugreen owakho umntana uzaqokani blue. All right sweet. Me and that girl we are so cool.
That's amazing. Okay.
You get what I'm saying?
That's amazing.
could never
But when it
do
comes
that.
to and I'm only okay because this is a relationship between me and his woman because
Yeah,
we are
yeah.
both baby mamas and bona bahlala bonke.
Yeah.
But when it comes to dating now,
Yeah.
hayi okwama ex hayi asimeni guys.
Why?
Akula mntwana
Like,
phela involved. Usafunani ukhulumani? Mina
No,
just low la
just
ngikhuluma la
cool,
because
just cool like that.
kunabantwana.
Not like sikoka every
No,
day.
angitsho ukuthi lixoxe every day.
Yeah.
Angitsho ukuthi libe le I'm not saying ukuthi ungizwe kahle.
Yeah.
Mali hlangana lingahlangana ngathi right now la libingelelani akula pressure. But into yokuthi thwasele zabe lithwala lixoxani.
History.
Istrian when?
If we are dating,
Istrian.
you must kill your
It's not like-
so that you have
So
no-
i-present le kuyayichazi to that extent.
We had things that we were talking about
Such
that were
as-
in the future,
such
right?
as-
that we probably never did.
that
but
you should be talking with me.
No, if I'm dating,
no,
listen.
no,
No.
No,
Make sure ukuthi
Thank you.
ngiyambulala.
Oh,
Thank you.
wow.
Ayife, fi.
When now in this context, you are
Enyameni
dating to your
angabi
exes as well.
Mina ngikhuluma physical.
ama-ex lapha kasoveki hey.
Mina I think vele if uhlangana lo muntu wangikhona libingelelana kumele uphombe ukuthi sakubona silima.
sakubona what?
Sabona?
Silima.
Coons, come on.
Yes.
kuleyona
That
man.
way you are anti people speaking to their exes.
Yes.
For what
What are
reason
you
comes?
even talking
For what
about?
reason comes?
I mean, dude, we had a life.
You know.
Ilife yani.
Yes, and that life
Life
is
yani.
gone. There's a reason.
Ilife
why you
yabuya
guys are
yaphela.
together.
You had a life yaphela likhulumani.
No, we're adults, most.
Likhulumani. All right, ngicela ukubuza ukuthi la likhulumani. Ngikubuza. Libuza nje ngini uchebe ngani namhla ini? What?
Next thing, who's that?
Ah,
Do you remember how tiny your hands are?
Right,
No,
listen.
they're not.
That is
Yeah.
where problems start because seliqala ukureminder ukuthi do you remember that moment when we went to Paris
Do you
and we
remember
were
how
standing
tiny your
under the
hands were?
Eiffel Tower?
No problem. Oh,
Why are you
Hawker.
still talking about shit like that when you are supposed? Sorry, am I allowed to speak French?
Yeah, go
Okay,
ahead.
because why are you not having those same memories with your present?
Okay.
Oh, right.
Hi.
Mina, from my
No,
from
guys.
from
You start
from me,
angry now.
from me, if
If I meet you in the streets, it's being hello, hi MJ,
Yeah.
hi Mafoti, sharp, no
Yeah.
stress,
yeah
simple.
yeah.
Okay.
So for me, most of the conversations that I have with my exes have nothing to do with the time we're dating.
Yeah.
All the conversations I have nothing to do with our time dating.
Yeah.
Nowhere near talking about ngesikhathi data.
They have to do with
We're just
what?
talking.
They have to do
We're just
with
talking
what?
about life
I think
as we
Bafo
go.
was.
Just talking about life as we go. We're just talking about life as we go.
I feel like that is more dangerous.
But don't you think
That's what-
ukuthi
how-
don't
how
you
is
think
it
ukuthi wena
Yeah.
because like level of connection lana ungathi vele uganya kukhuluma in the moment of weakness usungawela.
But what we had for
I've never gone through that. This never happened to me.
Can I say something?
Eh.
Like I don't think ukuthi when you have really, I think konoku dangerous for people who didn't heal from each other.
Yeah.
But if you guys, when like your thing was like, my guy, it's been lit, separate ways, right? I believe that people are adult enough to navigate those waters and not compromise yourself and know that you're now in this new thing that you chose. No one forced you and
Yeah.
made you to do something. So now you're in this thing and you're saying, okay, fine. We're adults about it. We can just talk.
But
You-
aren't you aware ukuthi kulabanye abangafuni okay fine. If I've dated uma-40 right now,
Yeah.
next thing sensiyajola lo ntuba. Aren't you aware ukuthi kukhona omunye umuntu wesinye isikhathi over le like uthola ukuthi uma-40 kafuni maybe kathanda untuba or something.
Yeah.
Sehle siba le attitude leyana yokuthi what and every time he sees me with untuba uyabehave in a funny way. Sefuna
No, but that's
ukungikhulumisa
unique to
ngenkani.
that
There's people like
situation.
that.
Yeah, but-
No.
Do you know
but
that?
that's unique to that
no,
situation. And I'm saying ukuthi, but nxa kuwukuthi ngabantu asuke baba le resolve. I don't feel like there's a problem with you just speaking to this person.
Yes.
I need to have years on this. I want to talk about my relationship in our 3 months.
Nami ngikhuluma ama-relationship
Right.
serious 5 years
5
going
years.
down the
But
line.
So- okay,
ezabona
for me-
nayo ziyophinda
Yeah,
zibonane.
for me, is what I do is I guarantee you this. I guarantee you this. If some of my exes are married, some are not. What I know is I know how to respect their boundaries. There are certain times I know I will never up you. I cannot up you at 10 p.m. Can't be upping you at 9 p.m. I can't be upping you every so good for no apparent reason. For me, I know good. 5 p.m.
It's
my
rare
child.
for us to do
After
that.
5 p.m. I don't
Maybe
talk to my
you guys.
ex.
Osisi thina, it's rare. MJ muhlu zenza ubani. Sejwalo ma-40 fusek. Ngabona ma-40 nyama haga vele.
Andabona.
Toxic.
How toxic? My phone is not toxic.
Wait.
My phone is not toxic like that.
But the majority of us is toxic. So
No, but toxicity I mean is not there. It was in
When are
India.
you fall under the toxic category, Kums?
Ahantu lapho wa
Yeah, how do
represent.
you I'm somebody said it's schema.
Yeah, when
majority.
vele uthi awukho. Like, you dated me, huh? You are lying.
But if
MJ is standing on her stance, she's not moving. Uthe nayi idotile, let's keep it moving. sasimbowa kahle kahle
sibulela umuntu udala lo
Hayi guys,
Ukhangele qatha ngabe.
because I feel like
ngiyadlala mina kokwanini lama ex.
but
Mina ukuthi uma cordial akusake kusebenzele anyone.
okay.
Like ever.
but it's worked for me so far.
No, I feel like you
So
shouldn't
far
do
it's
that.
working for me.
Name one
None of
relationship of yours.
serious.
Ow,
Wow.
ow,
Okay.
ow, MJ.
Sorry.
Every time
Clearly it's not working like you think it is.
it does, it works. I've never had none of ever I've dated. They've never had problems. Or problems have not risen because I'm talking to my other ex. That has
Name
never
one
happened.
successful.
That has never happened.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Aze Jack makukhuluma into le Jack kanti
Yeah.
into ebengifuna ukukhuluma ngiyayibona clearly but angifuni ukubhayiza kwesi2 but into
Khuluma.
aliyibonanga into engifuna ukuyikhuluma man hayi hayi
Podcast.
hayi liyafika
free.
linhleka kusasa
It's a safe
futhi
space.
selinhlekele kawani
Ngiyadlala comment
Say
section
whatever it is
comment
that you
mina.
wanted to say.
Say whatever bra.
Phela ayide ukhulumile uma ukhuluma ngasakuhleka. So
Khululeka bra. Khululeka.
no
Khululeka.
selinhleke
No, just
selinhleke
say
Khululeka bra. Khululeka.
Hayi okay one man before I say it and there's a point that likhuluma ngayo guys izolo yazi lento le engishokhile le nto izolo bekulabantu adeni labo i-podcast
Hayi khuluma.
Hey.
bekulabantu adeni labo o-cousin bami manje o-cousin bami bebekhuluma emoteni kamngani wami bathi bona oyi-one nje ule mark lapha uthi ugwazwe indoda uthi yazi indoda le yangitshaya le
Ukwasiwe.
mana phela
Sorry. Hey, ngiyakhohlwa ukuthi bengikhona.
Yes, continue.
Sorry.
Continue.
Sorry.
nganiphatha nekhatho lana
Yeah, don't worry.
Sengicishile imic
Yeah,
yami.
continue.
and then iphathana athi yena vele indoda engitshayo mina ngiyayifuna mina angeke ngitshole indoda engingayitshayo ngathi maybe nxa ukhuluma amasimba nje wathi abamuva bavuma bathi abamuva bavuma bathi hayi no lathi futhi indoda eyitsha is that like a thing like amafazi between indoda ukuthi yakutshaya
Hayi,
Is it like a-
mafowethu
angazi,
ngiyakwazi.
is it a king
Siyabuyela
first or is it a-
kudidi lo case, siqase phansi.
No.
Angazi.
For you know what?
no.
I actually asked the girl who said to me, "But what did she do that?"
Let me tell you something. Mina, for me, Mina, for me, I don't like that. But I want a stern guy.
Yeah.
There's a difference between being stern and being firm and
And
being
being
violent.
abusive. Yeah.
Toxic
Do you understand?
Yeah.
If you are stern, no, babe, we're not doing this good.
Yeah.
Not to go to okay, baby, say, you are weak, man. Fuck. But chayayo, no, sorry.
Yeah.
Violence
Be
is
stern,
violence
be
is violence
firm,
very high.
Stand by your standards or whatever it is.
Yeah, but no to violence.
No, yes, that's
No,
it.
violence.
But I told you, like I was saying, unkazana what to give me. Why unpopotere? Yeah, you as I unpopotere, and I won't turn. I'm like, huh? Like, and now she's married. I said her front row anyway.
Oh,
Yeah.
damn.
Clearly she got what she wanted. She
so
got what she
ndidinga ukuthi
wanted.
into
And ayifuna phela.
i-psychological into le
asakwazi ukubiza ibiza
Damn, girl.
40. We want to
Sorry,
go
sorry.
like, we want to go them. Can you speak
Kenya
down?
guy. Do you know? Come on.
I don't do that. I know. Oh,
MJ.
no, we should wait for her to come down because
Kenya.
no swallow.
give it time
Ngalizwa engomeni.
Haya kwaziyazi wena uzangena isikhala senality.
Nina.
ubona ngani into le ubona ni i-psychological ukuthi abantu like abafuna ukuthi abathanda ukutshaya is it like a kink or some shit
That's what I wanted to
Yes,
you
some
but
people
what's the
psychologically-
coincidence ukuthi emoteni kulabantu abayi-3 abale-kink efanayo
No, that's what
they
I
don't know
wanted
each
to-
other bazake
Abathanda
bahlangana
I
Eh.
think it's got an element of societal spice nyana
Yeah.
and where we think ukuthi amadoda
Kodwa ngizwanga
amadoda
khona.
are supposed to
Yeah.
discipline abafazi because ungathi ngumntwana into akazi lokhana kwakudala ukuthi umfazi ngumntwana whatever so
Yeah.
there's an element of that so ukhule utrainer when environment yakho just dictates ukuthi if you are wrong you are punished by hand And if your man don't spank you, then he don't love you.
Mina ngikhule trainer mina.
No.
Oh, okay.
we're
Yeah,
talking-
sorry.
Yabona uthi vele i-Africa
Spanking is fine.
sakhula sispenkwa.
I think don't use that word.
Don't use the don't use
Sakhula
spank.
sishaya.
Yeah, that's
yeah,
better.
yeah.
That's better.
Babesishaya anti
We are
ngikhaya.
older now.
Everyone, I think everyone here got, you know,
Kube
whooped
mnandi,
ngiwanye.
isisiba mnandi.
Bekuwupha ngini, it was lit, it was okay because we're all wrong and everything. But now it extends to what your relationships, and that shouldn't be the case. Which means ukuthi ngini wawungachayeli discipline wawuchayelwa amanye ama-factors that have very little to do with disciplining you. So when now you have in your mind, you think if you love me, you must pick me up. If that's how you show me that you care. Ngoba yabukhula ingxenye kwe-environment where they're like, kuchayela ukuthi ngiyakuthanda. Of which liqiniso ngoba babe bekuchayela ukuthi bayakuthanda. Like,
So it's a psychological.
yeah, it is a very psychological.
So it
A very
has
bad psychological
everything to
thing.
do with upbringing.
Yes, so now it differs, Ancho, it differs now from home.
Mina
to
vele
home.
malikhuluma indaba
Ukuthi-
zokuthi abantu bayachaya, I'm being triggered.
Oh,
Sorry.
Yeah, because I've been in a relationship
Bakusha.
like that. Yes, yeah. I've
What
been
i-
in a relationship where
What in it?
I've been in a relationship where I was being beaten up.
oh.
Wambisel, I'm just like I'm not asking in a joke way. I'm asking like genuinely.
Ngangibisela, but then obviously it's a guy. I don't know why it's funny because honestly I was being I was being
No.
triggered.
Continue.
Umuntu ovuzileyo, but
Yeah.
you know,
Yeah,
you know, I'm
yeah,
asking
yeah,
genuinely.
yeah.
I'm not
Like
getting
yeah, like I am triggered, yes.
Oh,
Not that I'm feeling bad, but I'm just triggered, Nje,
No,
because
no,
I've
it's
been
okay.
It's cool, it's
yeah,
cool.
You
I've
have
been
a
in
right
an
to
abusive
feel like
relationship
that.
where someone would beat me up.
Do you know I'm asking
Yeah.
why Wambisel?
Mm.
I'm just hoping wazwala isandla sakho.
Um,
Even if you didn't win the fight, as
Yes.
long as it's
I never won. I never for once won the fight, but I always won it ngomthetho.
Okay.
Oh,
It was that bad, yeah.
it was that bad.
I once had a thingy. Yabona the white part of your eye?
yeah.
Yeah, I once burst a vessel in there.
My God.
That white part yolihlo yababomvu sibili. Yeah. Thank God I never had a scar though.
Okay.
That's
That's
And I'm just glad ukuthi ngixoxa ngakho like ngiyaxoxa nje ngakho,
Yeah.
but
Yeah,
there was
yeah.
a time in my life
least
where
now you're able
ngangakwanisi
to talk
ukuxoxa
about
ngakho.
it, yeah?
Khathi sengakuxoxela sibili ukuthi umuntu lo wayengikhahlela njani. Like yoy wayengishaya
But can I ask
ikarate.
something? When it came to fighting with men, where was ukulwa yini? Because most people
I
abashaya
don't
abafazi
know.
abakwazi
I don't
ukushaya
know.
amadoda.
I don't know because I never saw him fighting with any guy. But with me, I can tell you, sibili ukuthi yeah.
my God.
I
I have a question. I hope it's not insensitive or
Okay, cool.
anything, but like, what do you think when you're now, upon reflection
Yeah.
now, what do you think made you keep going back?
Okay. There was a point in my life where I actually thought ukuthi okay, kuyadlula, because the first time he did it, it was a slap. And then I thought, okay, fine. And then the second time it happened, I'm like, okay, fine. And then haibo, next thing, so izinto kuyajikijelwana and stuff, you know, and then now it's becoming, you know, even my late best friend knows about this. She
Yeah.
passed away, but she used to see this happening. And she would come to our house, try to, you know, ukusehlukanisa and everything. And imagine we were renting, like we used to stay in a house where we were renting,
Kalari,
and our
Kalari.
landlord would come and intervene. Imagine how embarrassing that
Kalari,
was.
can they move?
You know, so
Kalari.
I don't know ukuthi kahle kahle ngathi kuyini okwakusenza ngibuyele. I don't know. Yeah, I think it was more of Stockholm syndrome.
also,
Lento
it's
lena-
not like she
trust
was
you
a
me, mina,
stranger.
I
It's
relate
not
so much to all these
It's
movies.
affecting me,
Uthola ukuthi
sorry.
umuntu was being abused. Nya understand like fully ukuthi what goes on in there.
No, of
But
course,
the-
like when we're coming from a layman's perspective.
You
I-
understand,
it's-
yeah.
That's why I wanted you to maybe make us understand
how
what
did-
will be happening in that
how did you
moment,
get out?
Uti, upon reflection. now.
How did I get out? I literally ran away. Literally. Yeah, I literally ran away. I was like, you know what? Listen, I'm traveling. I want to go see my parents because I was in South Africa at the time. And I'm like, listen, I want to go see my parents. And then he's like, okay, cool. Because into isenzakala ukuthi he would do these things, maybe cheat or whatever, and then mayebuya endlini sokuba ngani he's preparing ukuthi vele kuzaliwa.
Okay.
So on that particular day, I didn't say anything. I was like, listen, I want to go see my parents on that following weekend. And then I just went home and I'm like, no, I'm actually done. When I got home, I told everyone, ukuthi, like,
I'm
I am
really-
done. I am done. And then the day he was expecting me to come back, I didn't go back. I actually went and stayed with a cousin that he didn't know who to hlala ngaphi. So I literally ran away. I didn't speak to this person for a year. I didn't see him for a year.
Wow.
Yeah, that's how.
Till
After
now.
a year, okay, what are we doing? Like, what's happening? That's when we started having a proper conversation as adults. Okay, this is what happened. But nakona, I never made sure ukuthi sihlangana in a place where
Just the two of you, yeah,
Yes, I remember very well ukuthi I was like, listen, if you wanna meet me up at Wimpy at Carlton Center. Ngahamba ngahlala eWimpy ngammelela wathi ephume ehambe siya le to the left, I went to the right because I still had that fear ukuthi I'm not sure if he's gonna follow me. Do you get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
But right now it's like it's like okay. But yeah, I've been there.
So what would you advise someone? I've also been in
Let me tell you,
there's
there's only one advice I'll always give you. The first time someone
Run
even scratches you, run for your life.
run away.
Run for your life because it's not
only
worth
gonna
it.
get worse.
Run for your life, guy. Vele don't even waste time with no.
Guys, mina
No, usazochintsha. Akula kuchintsha kutheni because the one time he does it, he's gonna do it again because it's like mawuqalisa ukulwa usibale argument lo muntu and then you let it slide. The second time it happens, umuntu ba manipulative. It's the same thing that happens with physical
Yeah.
abuse.
I-
It happens like that.
I like to believe ukuthi ama-habits abantu into lena ukuthi engakutshaya namuhla nje ebese kuxolisa ubusumxolela
Yeah.
se-expect ukuthi hayi uzangixolela
Vele uyaxolisa. No, let me tell you one thing about
As long as you
abusers.
allow-
so it
Bayaxolisa.
becomes a habit yokuthi wakhona
No, yeah,
kuphela.
uyaxolisa kuba
Yeah.
i-habit ukuthi okay, vele I do this to Amanda and then yeah, of course I'm gonna apologize and
She's
then
gonna take me back
You
and
understand?
yeah,
She's gonna
yeah.
take me back. Mina, it got so bad to a point yokuthi I would leave our house. Like this is someone I lived with, right?
Yeah.
Like I would leave our house and I'll go to my cousin's place and he will come there, come apologizing, buy flowers, buy this, buy that. Hey, I'm apologizing.
Love
Hey, this
bombing.
and that. Call this person. Hey, ngicela ukukhuluma lo sibani bani azongixolisela. Ayifuse when.
Utheni lo?
Utshwala wayithenga yini? Utshwala wayithenga.
You know? So kwakusiba njalo. Like I'm so glad ukuthi ngikhuluma ngakho without
Yeah.
breaking down. Like honest,
I
because
have-
I'm
I
so
have
over
another
it.
question.
Sengixoxa
But
ngakho.
I have another
Hey, sorry,
Why?
one gallery
I have one last question.
question.
Like, what about who's already in it? I'm getting Luano Kalisu Kuchaiwa. Can you give advice
Who's
to the
currently
one who's
going
already-
through?
Leave.
Who is going through?
Chapa.
it?
Leave.
Ngilapha
There's no,
ngishaya, guys.
there's no other advice engakutshela yona engakunika yona. Just leave. Just leave. And uyazi ukuthi I know ukuthi okay fine probably this person is doing stuff for you
Yeah.
or you're in a position yokuthi you don't even know where you're going to start. Awuxoxwanga ngini sis. Ngini awuxoxwanga, you still have people that love you, your parents love you, your siblings love you, your family loves you, man. Just go home, leave this person. Just phuma nje. Kulokho.
Amazing.
So,
I love
yeah.
it. I love it.
But it, like, you know how hard it is to leave.
It's very hard.
Mina ngake ngangena sibili ku relationship abi. Angikwazi ukuthi ngafika kanjani but okay, wayefuna ukungishaya wakhutha washaya umdulane.
probably because you're
And
height
then-
mfitshane so awukhutha.
Okay, but MJ,
You don't even know
okay,
yourself.
MJ,
You don't
okay.
even know
Relate,
you're
you
All right,
entering the
relate.
but
conversation.
I would relate, yeah.
let's dive into it.
Like,
Let's
umfishane kulami.
You're shorter than me, MJ. Noma kuthiwani.
MJ, you're already shorter than me. so how
Continue,
short was this
continue,
person?
continue. I was this morning.
Wangikhutha
Yeah.
and it's not like engakushaya uthando liyaphela.
Right,
Yeah.
MJ, auntie, into engifuna ukuyibuza
Then,
ukuthi
into engenza ngasuka as crazy as it sounds.
yeah.
The gun had no bullets.
Oh my gosh.
Literally. So you know, sometimes like there's this weird love that I have for guns. And my therapist wangitshela ukuthi there's something that probably happened to you because akula muntu normal othanda izibhamu. Yebo abanye bayazithanda whatever, but I feel like my love for guns is me trying to suppress the fear and
Something, yeah.
and then ngiyakhumbula wathi ngikhuthile washaya umduli waphuma igazi like kuma who went to get the first aid to bandage him
It
up?
was you.
My stupid self.
What the hell?
You know,
You're not
uthando lunja-
stupid.
the one thing that people always factor out is the love you have
for the other
For your
person.
Kati
abuser.
ngicela ukubuza nje ukuthi kati alright lami sengibuza as someone who has been in that situation vele kahle kahle kuyini okwenza ukuthi umuntu kube nzima ukuthi asuke mina for me I can tell you definitely ukuthi it was stability because when I was with this person sorry
Yeah.
I'm getting tongue twisted when I was with this person I wasn't stable.
Yeah.
But the moment I left and then I was like, you know what, I need to
Financially,
do
that is.
yes, I wasn't
Okay.
stable. I wasn't stable. And secondly, I was like, okay, what are my friends and family gonna think? Or what are they gonna say? Because this was someone that was known. Lasekhaya ukuthi, okay, Amanda is dating this person. You know? And then I'm thinking, man, now I have to break up with this person. Sengiqala phansi futhi umjolo, sengiqala. So mind you, I've already introduced this person because it was leading to marriage and whatever it was, you know. So I had
Oh,
that
does that
fear.
good?
Yes, it was. Yeah, it was that serious. So now so kumele ngiqalise phansi ukuzo explain. Ngi-explaina ngisithini.
When?
But then again, I will say this: I was young, I was naive, and with the wisdom that I have now, if with the wisdom I have now, it was then. Fuck off. Fuck off.
No, but that's the. I
Do you
think
get what
that's
I'm saying?
You have to learn ukuthi in that moment until you are wearing those shoes.
Yeah,
you
until
have
you're
no
wearing those
idea
shoes, you have
what
no
your
idea what
response
goes
is.
on.
Ukuthi
Yeah.
fight or fight,
Mm,
or do you just cower and you
Yeah.
suffer through it the entire
Yeah.
time? But
Yeah. Normally,
then again, we reiterate ukuthi just get out if you can. Get out, while you still have your life. Before you.
and I also think any advice maybe is the people, the friends around the person low abuser. Because sometimes what we say as friends can also make the person stay. I know most girls will probably tell their friend, "But here we are." The first people who probably tell Nkazim is another woman. Either the mother, either the sister.
okay.
I guarantee you, it's some of these females. Go get the point time. It's some of these people who actually, even the parents, because if the parents see or something, they'll probably tell you, no, so I think my advice probably is for those people around the personal abuser, Uguti, put that person's safety first before any of your needs. Like life is more precious than a few groceries and $100. Like I think let's start in life. So I was about to be go blind, right? But life is more precious than anything else.
Yeah,
I think when we're giving advice, also any advice, you got sure sometimes we it's not a
But
it's not a right way of actually approaching.
Yazi ukuthi mangithi when I'm thinking about this thing right now,
Yeah.
the stability yona le engikhuluma ngayo. Guess what? I'm actually even doing better than the stability yona le engangithola khona ngale.
Yeah.
Hence I said,
Yeah.
ukuthi I was naive and I was young when it happened because I'm talking about something that happens like that happened maybe 10, 15 years ago.
Yeah.
Do you get what I'm saying?
Yeah, yeah.
Le stability yona le ngithi yayingihlalisa kwambana. It doesn't even amount to instability engilayo right now. It was nje.
I think
Guys,
people need to
You know what I
to
mean?
learn or to know what for you to receive something, you
Yeah.
actually need to let go of something.
Mhm.
Right? So in as much as it's difficult coming up, guys, sometimes I'm relationship are emotional abusive. They're not
Yeah.
as physical.
Yeah.
Right? Emotional abusive relationships.
It's worse.
Especially if you're dating a
Emotionally is
narcissist.
worse.
Yeah.
Ukuvuka utshela ukuthi umubi.
If it so sometimes I think
Trust me, umuntu avuka kutshela ukuthi umubi ndoda. Do you know it can kill your self-esteem?
ongayenziyo. Ongayenziyo.
umfake ngebizo sihambe siyemdinga kathesi
No,
So
can I
Let's
point
see.
out-
can we round it up? Can we round it up? Round it up?
and point out that,
Kills your morale.
Yeah. Round it up.
guys. Okay, so my thing is also necessary. Like lanxa sisithi sifundisa laba aba around the person who's being abused. Can we also say, on the other hand, umuntu nxa noma umtshelile wena wazama ukuthi my guy, this is so bad for you, you should leave, whatever. Nxa ngekho ready yena, because ultimately it's that person's choice.
Yeah.
They will go back, like no matter how bad it is, they will go back.
Uvuke wena
Case
sasusa
in point,
ungumuntu
she's
omubi
telling
wena.
us as well
Yeah.
ukuthi yena how long it took. Right. Just keep supporting ungadinwa.
Yeah.
Because we have that you know, sometimes we as people we get to that point where like, dude, I'm tired of telling her. But just remember, ukuthi umuntu lo is going through it because that person that they're with is not only just beating them up, but they're softening the whole situation. I love that MJ said, there's the love. The love is there. Like no matter how bad it is, that person actually has good times with this person that they had, that this person is holding on to, the one who's getting abused. So don't get tired of fighting for your person. Don't get tired of going there even to check. Like bro, like like this person didn't fall out from someone's ass. Well, they did. But like this person,
we are there now. We are there now.
Think that through.
Right. So
I know, that's not the right way to put it, man.
Let's laugh.
Yeah.
Makes them feel some type of way.
So what we're talking about, what we're talking about, what when this week, can I move
Yes.
to another?
Just before you move, as it then.
Just looking at
Yeah.
Oh,
I know we're not friends, but bro, try.
so
pretend.
can you, MJ, can you?
I was saying,
Close it off,
you
yeah.
said something about the people that surround you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can be
MJ, you're such a
surrounded.
good listener. You literally waited for them to finish
really
talking.
did.
Yeah, you
Wow.
have such
Did,
good
and it
listening
didn't
skills, my
alter-
friend. I just wanted to point that
Maybe-
out. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I didn't see.
Continue.
Anyway,
Yeah.
I'm saying you said something about the people that are surrounding you and
Yeah.
telling you to stay. First of all, I never hear women telling someone to stay shy unless that person is also an abuse victim.
Okay.
So your friend, we have a shy. You know, it's so easy to normalize something that you grew up believing in. So if you grew up watching your body beating your queen, it's normal. That's a love language. And it's a psychological issue, like she said. Huh?
Yes.
So, umuntu okutshela ukuthi hlala la akho right. The problem is abuser. So let's not shift the blame from the abuser to the friends and the surroundings and lack of financial freedom. The main problem is the abuser, not the people around, not people who are telling you to stay and what. Because umuntu yena mayikhule eshaya kumbe yakhe indoda imshaya ngibo ekhule ekwazi ukuthi the only way out is through. Uyabona ukuthi abuse culture is so normal in South Africa. It really is normal. Like I'm not trying to stereotype Amazulu, but yes, they take pride in saying "Hongjeli logo." That thing is a joke, but then it says something. Like, you know, the way they're so and that's a very bad thing that's been normalized. So it's never the friend or the victim fault. It's always the abuser's fault.
Right.
Take for example, Olorat. You know that girl that was killed?
Yeah, I was about to go. That's where I was going.
Yeah.
Okay, Karis.
So Olorat was going to she was going to a date.
Went on a date, yeah?
Yeah, and she was picked up by White Polo, and then she was found dead days later. By God's grace, the murderer is dead. One of. Yabo? And people kept saying, especially Abafazi, they were quoting the tweet, basically. That's why I suggest using your own car when you're going for a date. That's why I say, yeah, you shouldn't date for
and the
money.
reason why
No
besitsho
one is
njalo is
saying
because
anything about the
bajwayele
killer.
khona lokhu and akula muntu who's saying
So,
ukuthi hayi man into
when I-
leyo
when I-
wrong.
Now it's becoming normal to gaslight
You guess.
victims. That's why I'm saying it's never the people around.
When I checked the story, at the very beginning of the story was, she actually said to her friends, if you don't hear from me, after a certain time,
Yes.
look for me. And so that's what prompted everything.
I
Now-
just think
And
if you're
someone
going
even said,
if you're
Eli's
going
location
anyway
is
that
for you
that
to
you're not
be
familiar with,
recorded.
just send
Yeah.
your
The
location
person.
to your friends.
And now, I remember, as the story was going, Mama Kamfana, one of the murderers, actually tipped him over the chapats.
Mapolisa.
Mapolisa akutia. We have people also, because we have people who actually, do you know these abusers and supporter who protect them and we enable all this nonsense.
Yeah.
Because this girl was just going on a date.
Yeah.
It's I saw ukuthi awuthanda abafana awuthanda imoto. She was going on a date.
On a date, bruh.
Yeah, she was just going on a date.
Everyone who keeps saying, yeah, lithanda imali.
Guys, yeah, that's very
But
unfair,
then
Shem,
when you
to
hear
be
the story
honest.
now, you start hearing these guys were actually on bail for a kidnapping.
Yo.
Then you realize even the system is
part of it.
enabling
part of
all
it.
this.
It's
Because
enabling, yeah, of
here
course.
democracy ati mnyenge ni bail umuntu. in all of cases I can see that in Zogunye. So again, the system enables until we also have to find a way of making the system protect the victim more than it protects the abusers. Because the abusers will always go on bail. When I'm the street, imagine the abuser could tell the same street loud. I'm every day. What is it doing to your mental health?
Yeah.
This one,
Ngibonga uJesu ukuthi udedi akabiwa ngibel.
Ngobuza something, and like
Yeah.
think of all the countries in the world.
yeah.
What we're fighting about. None of us here, I think, want women to be abused or to be like
None of us want anyone, not just women, anyone.
Oh
to be
yeah,
abused.
okay, touche,
Yeah.
touche, touche.
Yeah.
Giving
But what
all lives better. Anyway, continue.
all lives met? But it's kabanga chicken.
Yeah.
In what country in the world right now is all of that happening? Like Uguti, you know that everyone's protected, everyone's local. Besides the Muslims, but the Muslims also they do it in the way which they oppress women.
Yeah, they do.
So now, would you rather spend your entire lifetime trying to fight against a system which none of us have a solution which is correct for, or would you rather protect yourself? First, singakaika chan. I understand what man, a solution and eventually.
Yeah.
But in the meantime, a solution is idea.
Can I
Asibes lokhu zini.
UMJ uhlezi endlini.
Eh,
Bamkhuthe ngesibhakela.
ngubani?
I'm saying.
Oh,
you see, this is an example, right?
Sorry.
Bamkhuthe ngesibhakela. No,
Eh.
I just took from the story,
Teenage
right?
well.
I just took from the story.
Oh,
I just
okay.
took from your story. Right? Ukuthi bamkhuthe ngesibhakela. MJ,
Mm.
right? Even nasilendile, MJ has the right to go to the police and this person needs to be charged and be jailed if something happens. But now if you see this person roaming around, look like court case until it's a Chauminyunkaza, right? And all we are saying is, can we also put in place systems that protect the people that are being abused? Because the current system doesn't. It doesn't. Because today, I think a girl, someone was jailed, was convicted and then given 140 hours for claiming she was raped or lying that she was being raped. Right? Cool. Yes, but can you now also make sure our repair cannot get bail? They actually do it.
Okay.
Because these are the guys, I remember once a minister, was he a minister? Yeah. The court found him not guilty until these guys ended up applying for a private prosecution. And you know you can do that. Stating to apply a license to get your own lawyer to prosecute. And after private prosecution, he was jailed. A system had failed. At least it felt safe. But private prosecution.
They work free. and
So
they
we need to
really
create systems also. Let's we need to rain on our friends and our brothers and our cousins, whatever, to say, as far as
That's
come
where-
what may.
That's where I wanted
Come
to
what
go.
may.
I feel like when we're saying we're looking for solutions, we should start like at the base,
Yeah.
super base of the whole situation. And MJ said it well, the problem is the abuse. We're supposed to be dealing with the abuser. And by dealing with the abuser, we start with a society that understands that to just be violent is not the option.
Yeah.
Because guys, we glorify violence if we're being honest. When we're just having a random
Yeah.
situation. It starts there. That's where it starts. It starts where we're just glorifying and saying, no, solve the situation.
Yeah.
But at the same token, it's like when you are disciplining your child, discipline it's psychological because now in your mind you're thinking this is normal ukuchaya umuntu uzufika ku point ukuthi umthwalela imvubu umuntu omdala ogcela amazinyo lahlangana egcela amazinyo emlonyeni why umbamba vele like why can't you and I have an argument for instance ulokhu zenini yeah ukhumalo isi arguish sike ku point ukuthi sengubamba it starts from lami nginje you know because there's that element of the term that they use Chihuahua females. When females are just, it's social. You can't center yourself to not hold the next person. You can't center yourself to not. Why are you touching the next person?
I think we need. I think one thing.
To then the laws and the all of that.
I believe another thing that probably needs to be taught at a tender age is conflict resolution.
Yes.
Yeah.
I think that's very, very pivotal in a child's growth. Conflict resolution. Raising your voice doesn't necessarily have, you don't necessarily need to raise your voice, number one. You don't necessarily need to get physical, number two.
Yeah.
You can actually sit down and say, check lapana yazi, ute so mina ngutholanga, lapana awungamelanga sharp.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. It's okay. Like, we need to tell people it's okay to say sorry, guys. It's not a bad thing to say sorry.
Yeah.
To apologize and acknowledge to Pamanisil.
Yeah.
Because at the end of it, we can't all be right. Now, while on the kids, there's this kid. I think we've all been seeing this. This kid was excluded from the Zimbabwe education system. Junior, right? No, we're not supposed to say. We were not supposed to say the name. We're not supposed to say. They should have blanked out that because it's a minor, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're not supposed to say Ibizolaki, right? But I kind of went and found the background, some of the background story.
Yeah.
Like the system here, the system has failed umntwana.
Yeah.
Right? The system has failed umntwana. And another thing is that letter also is incomplete. That letter I iphelele kona phana. Abona phela headmaster's comments apha ngavalwa akula signature. That letter continues normally, but normally when that happens, when an exclusion has been put, there are recommendations or actions that are put going forward for rehabilitation, to be in order to be taken back into the education system. This has to happen.
Oh, okay.
So umuntu othumeze lokho, uthumeze so that people can just rile up without actually putting the other end of the letter.
Okay.
Now, I believe a child of that age should never even get to a point of being excluded in the education system.
Yeah.
When you say exclusion, you're saying not even one school should take you up. A 12-year-old, who's ever said about minkunz? Said him solar food.
Vele lokhana
You mean to
uyazi
tell me
ukuthi nani?
adults? Abakwanileyo.
allow me, I'm
So
for
the
that.
teacher refused to put comments, right? Teacher refused. The mom has been attending meetings after meetings. This boy was a prefect. Do you know that?
Oh, sorry,
This
excuse
was
me.
a prefect.
I missed that part. You're saying the parents or also
The
asked
mom
for
was
help.
going to the
Oh,
meetings.
really?
Was going to the meetings.
Oh, okay. I missed that part. I didn't
So the
follow
problem is
that up.
people were going and saying things as right?
Mhm.
This boy was a prefect.
Yeah. Oh, really?
This boy was a prefect. I was a prefect last year. Right? This boy is a brother of Village. So something changed, and people didn't notice, or people decided to ignore. There are things that changed in that boy's life. Things that people are supposed to look and say and focus on.
Yeah.
People don't.
Yeah.
Right? People went on, and then there were parents who actually instigated and initiated this whole exclusion thing. Parents. Inhlamba, guys.
Athi mafoda
So,
auntie.
can I finish? Then you go.
Okay.
Inhlamba, guys. We have guys who have stepped people and still continue going to school. Inhlamba, guys. Of a grade 7 student, we could have suspended it for 2 weeks, for psychological or something. This boy, to get the funny part, this boy got my police school. I figure about drugs. The kids didn't say what palan pants. Was balauti. What palan like. So you mean to tell me the signs were there? You failed to deal with it. Now the child has to be excluded from our education system as a country. Come on, really? Really?
Okay.
That's my view. I don't know. You can take it out.
No,
That's my view.
I needed to listen to you, Qede, but
Yeah.
I'm getting your point now. But my thing is also, okay, fine. As much as Gonke Konaloku is being said, umntwana lo manje bathini, are they saying ukuthi umntwana lo does not deserve an education or what?
No,
That's my thing.
There's a portion that was not shown to people.
Right.
The portion that stipulates what's supposed to happen going
Okay.
forward.
Okay.
Right? So umuntu othumela incwadi leyo kade fuze enze due diligence esinike yonke istory ukuthi okay bathiwa kwenze njani after this, because after such a letter has been done, the child has to go for social welfare, something. There's an intervention that's supposed to be done. Into angasitshelanga yona umuntu lo. No, I didn't get. Now I was now talking to the people who work in the ministry to say, no, normally a letter like this actually comes with this, something like this. So now that letter, we keep a.
And then in terms of how it was leaking, ngayo online, isn't that like a gross violation of like my privacy laws sometimes?
Especially because it's a minor.
It is, but now
Under
to really
18 as
follow
well.
the Kaserenga. Because le WhatsApp group ama-parents
No, but
bethaba.
that's where
Kuqalela khona lapha
cybersecurity
iphepha kade
becomes a
likhona.
thing.
Umuntu yena lo nguye umnikazi ade umele
Receive incwadi unale because I think this is Midlands.
Yibo omele
I think this is
kuqale
Midlands
khona
province actually. It's Midlands
but
province. No, I'm
my
saying
thing is-
iphepha lela
Yeah.
la thathwa ipicture le is someone in the Midlands province.
Okay.
Because kuthikiye lapho ukuthi Midlands.
No, my thing is this not where the cybersecurity law comes into effect?
No,
we
private.
Find out, we trace, we find out. So
Yeah, I
or
guess
is
so,
it-
yeah.
Is it a private thing still when it involves a minor?
It's a minor, it's a private,
You
it's
need
a
to-
minor.
You need to find out because now the child's name is all over. That's like going to screw up in the next couple of years of his life because he's still in primary.
And their parents in a WhatsApp group happy, check bethaba. In a WhatsApp group. Like whatever society are we now?
What's social welfare's mandate on this?
Hey, now, even if it's there, like
Yeah.
we know in our country,
Yeah.
right? I believe we are in a position now, the government, okay, hey, just that those guys are fucked up our country, but normally now, this is where psychologists, therapists, or, social worker comes in and say, okay, I think keeping the environment like you. It's probably umntwana. That's why we don't have a foster system.
We do.
A foster.
Yeah,
We do.
Angithi social welfare ngikho
No, but I'm saying, but so I know the juvenile center, we can't take him to the juvenile center. Maybe we can't take, it's not an orphan, we can't take him to an orphanage. We need to take him to a place where this boy is rehabilitated. Right? To get to understand how is it brain come, what's happening in his life. Get the parents there, get everyone, get the community. There's not like this child community. What's really transpired? What happened? This boy is a prefect. Why was he said to be a prefect?
What happens
Because I
though,
doubt
like
that he was that
at a
bad.
juvenile center, like a person next to
No,
a
the
Tembis?
problem with juvenile centers zalapha.
Yeah.
They are more, they are less, they are more
They're
corporal than they
they're
are.
less rehabilitation
Yeah,
centers.
Yeah, they're more
Than-
corporal than they are going to
Because it's a 12-year-old.
communicate with
We do
you.
not want to mess a 12-year-old.
But
Check it.
Mbuzo wami usekuthini, do we realize now that this child is not that bad? And him being a prefect is like reflection of that. Ukuthi he wasn't bad. Yeah,
He was a prefect.
I love the fact that you say that, don't you? Because the way you're looking at it is the way I think we should be looking at it.
Yeah.
I want to like and this happens as like, for example, is Mapi Vugi sharp kusasa yonke into isi right sesile for everything is there and moral degradation. Abantwana sebephathwa engayenza so and uqala kancane kancane. Hayi no akalethile social welfare. Into efuna ukuthi uswazi nje so right. And I say this because let me tell you why. Like there's some kids back like that side, and I see it from like a perspective of from where I grew up. It's the things they do, and it's the way you see their mothers treat them, or even their fathers treat them. You know, like umntwana nxa wena uthe okay na sesifake movie le athi yena no sekhala no I can't no you can't put that movie, and they can't inflict authority, and it's there's many reasons for it, but it's because they don't have that locus, and eventually what that does, it builds up. You now have kids later on in future who just and I guess that's the natural progression of locus of any society. But the way like umntwana lo want uthethe about teacher equal. I don't know if I got that. Uthethe
A
teacher.
lot of insults. Yeah.
Wathethisa abanye abantwana.
Ngabana isindebele yo.
There's not only one answer.
Where did he hear in Jambalese? We should be asking those questions.
No. Yeah, I think we should be asking those. I think we should do both, but still, discipline should be there.
Yeah. Yeah.
And then discipline. Then now lokulandelela. So ngathola ukuthi ngaba le discipline, and then bese kusiba le intervention now ukuthi how do we prevent this from happening again? But I think izinto ezinje mina bensithi because ngama occurrences amaningi, so at least maybe ukuthi we are missing the bigger picture ukuthi vele what was happening babebiza abazali and all, or maybe abazali labo babengabanye abangazwisisi.
The mama was going.
But I think ukuthi sometimes bakhona mina sengaba ngoteacher
Bakhona abazali labo he?
bakhona labantwana abayisiqoqodo abafuna
Yeah.
abafuna
Yeah.
abafuna
Yeah.
ukugatswa
Yeah.
mbijana yabo and i-discipline kumele siyifake i-discipline it's also like a form of love.
It is.
It is a form of love.
It's a form of love
Yeah.
because laphana siyabe sisithi hayi siyakudiscipline ukuze you can mess up at least in a safe space for you to like experiment and like learn and improve as a student. Ngoba ungasuka usiyamesa up phandle laphana yabo lapho ngale babasa ukudiscipline bayokukaraba yabo but I think maybe ama next steps esingabonanga kuletha uma fota khuluma ngayo ku page 2 maybe kade be outline ekhona ukuthi hayi maybe uza suspend for some time maybe kube sokusiba le discipline enje lana and then so suba lama next steps
Apparently
but
the
I
teacher-
think kumele support unana
Teacher apparently
ekwane
refused to
sokubhala
put a comment in that. They said, "Lama, my parent." So here's my thought process again on this issue is, boys lo kalabangani, yini? Because we don't need to whatever surrounding he's in, because clearly if he's like that, that means there are probably two more. Because he can't be nje aloof nje one life in. He's probably got friends. Like maybe banjalo yini.
Ma 40 for mayor.
Right? Because here's the thing. I'm not taking anything away from Makokoba, right? I grew up in Mziligas, next to Makokoba. I grew up, most of my best friends from Makokoba, right? I understand the stereotyping that happens about Makokoba and everything, right? But I feel Uti, somewhere as a nation, there's something we did wrong. As a nation, not put PFX alone. I think as a people, there's something that we did so wrong. Ukuthi abantwana they get to this, we are exposing abantu. You know inhlamba ukuzwa inhlamba umncane was like ngizwa inhlamba uvona indlebe. I don't know how you grew up. That was me. Ngizwa inhlamba uvona indlebe so who is saying
lokukhuluma ibizo likaMgabe bra?
Who is saying inhlamba zonke lezi? Who is saying inhlamba zonke lezi umntwana elalele? Clearly someone is, right? This kid cannot just conjure up inhlamba from nowhere. Someone is saying inhlamba lezi and no one cares. Without discover, you actually discover the problem is not at home anymore. The problem is within the street. I'm a next door neighbor. Those are the problem. Because if this boy was a prefect, clearly something was going okay.
Yeah.
Then what changed? Right? So what changed? Let's just say is one, but it is the prefect. Normally, I believe the prefect, baby can laying a crumand by so man see if I can be a prefect.
Yeah.
Right? Because it's all about leadership. So clearly something was good. What went wrong to get to the point where we need an expulsion? An exclusion, sorry. I mean,
Angithi bathi uyashayina labazali bakhe.
Yeah, ulokhu zenu ugrade 7 or grade 7 yakubamba
listen,
ngekolo
It's a deep
uthi
dive.
Listen.
I
Yeah.
think ukuthi a healthy form of corporal punishment and a healthy form of him
Exactly.
talking to someone,
Please.
because like I don't think so.
I don't think it's late.
Uhambise reform takuyini amajele lawa.
Ama-juvenile centers.
Dala-
Our children are not that.
Dalana
If you are-
suka
some,
bemo.
some of it I feel like if you are that harsh, you're just making utwani pins lane ngavuthwayo.
Umqhuqhu.
Bathi yini?
Very busy. Very at this card.
Aye. Not
Busy at this
Eliana,
card.
man.
Very busy. Very at this card.
Bathi andithi ukuthi untunyila.
Hayi busy at this card. I said there are 5 minutes phela lens.
Yabona,
Or whatever. But my thing is, if we are too harsh physically, it might just damage him. So it needs a
We need a balance.
healthy dose.
so
of
cabanga
both.
into le Jack.
So think of him in a mental state, and also think of him corporally, because vele kahle kahle spread the road and spoil the child.
I think sometimes even like kule punishment and yokukatsa
Yeah.
but
Yes.
ikhona lenye ukuthi if you understand the person, psychologically you can punish someone alunge
Yeah.
just ngokuxoxa laye lani but umenze nje. I have a degree in psychology.
I would like to believe.
But I also think ama role models ayadingakala.
Yeah.
Sile provincial education director with a provincial education director, right? And Minister, I've forgotten his name, right? And under him, there are a lot of officers and district and what. You mean to tell me? Then we have the ZRP, then we have the Ministry of Health, we have Ama Health, who can bring the doctors and psychologists. We have the ZRP. You mean to tell me we all fail to rein in a 12-year-old?
No, it's not good. I don't think.
Ungakwadi phela mafoti.
Yet, yo, mlungisi.
No. When you say exclusion, when you say exclusion,
because at the end of the day, we need to get to a conclusion. Ukuthi okay, umntwana lo vele kwenziwani ngaye.
Like I said,
be honest.
it's not too late. Akaphelelwanga.
Hayi.
This is a problem we've been presented.
Yes.
With. Tina, we're now the new adults. Angisi singabazali bangikhona abakhathesi.
Yeah.
This is what we're saying. Don't expel him from all schools. Get him a healthy dose of both versions of
Thank you.
He needs to talk to someone and he needs to work out because into is wrong.
Amen. Ukatso number one. As in, this is
wrong, but the way we're dealing with, is it the right way?
Well, very good. In that thing, like what you guys are saying.
We're now discussing it lapha. It's not in a vacuum.
Siyamkatsa abuye esikolo. Siyamkatsa abuye esikolo.
I know a magistrate can order that.
And then siyamkatsa abuye esikolo, but now kube i-community. Umuntu raised not only just by a family.
Yeah.
Even that's a church, guys. A church usungathola someone who can step up and emthathe that young boy amfake like under his wing. Just ambonise the era of the ways and how to be a better person.
Yeah.
Or even like community. Even sometimes nje ukuthi this usually if I'm a conversation seqala heated, now my conversation it now becomes difficult.
Yeah.
And very few people know how to handle difficult conversations. Umuntu vele hle ubuka ama feelings kakhulu bebe lama assumptions at the end ngoba lo teacher la yabe sezondile for umuntu ethenza kufaka uxa
yabona i-degree lesakhona isilekhaya angeke ngale madoda into le esiyifesa lapha nje into eyenze nguboys law and the way we see it so wrong. We have no Zwana. It has to be at some point. It has to be seen as wrong. Eventually, boys law. What he does.
Who tells people in a city and condom?
Yeah, like.
Ngang khuluma ngesindebele nje akuphumi ku YouTube as like English or subtitles. Yeah. Lo boys engimkhangelayo. Boys law. Umama lo issue lo baba kanje. Same issue. Waba yibhuli esikolo. Wakhula and umama kwami encourage. Now yazi unjani? Usengumntwana ukuthi somele adotozwe kancane. Why if you let it go that far? Ngathi boys ona wayelo bhuti omdala. Amkalaphe kancane eventually say right. So I always wonder ukuthi like I don't know if that's the answer. But how do you stop it from happening in future? Because ungamenza njalo abayibhula nje and then we're like I know we sympathize with you because bakwenze so I continue and eventually like what's the answer? Because I don't think anyone has got the answer at the moment.
This is why I said ukuthi social welfare yethu ukuthi nje iyalenga nje.
It needs social welfare
to come in terms of esikolo thina we don't have khonokho ama facilities on allow ukuthi
social worker at school.
Yes, a social worker at school. Ukuthi abantwana they can talk to a counselor where they can go and pour yourself out and someone who recognizes that there's problems at home and you need help if you need to move to a different house where you can be safe. Ngini nganye umdala uchayo masangweji la usubuya le stress sankhaya subuye esikolo usutshela abanye ukuthi lina tha itiye ngikhondo yabo
I know I haven't used that.
Money. Pinda futhi come again.
Uthi utsho njalo uthe bana itiye ngekhondo. Yeah.
So private boy is fucking creative.
Yeah, utsho njalo mina ngingabala vele konke akukhulumileyo but nje angifuni ukuba.
Yeah. So we are one he needed if there was like a counselor by second case yaki he would have spoken to someone already because the teacher would have noticed ukuthi no uzibani bani uyi problem manje akahamba ekhuluma lo counselor ukhansela la esezazama ukuproba nje yabona the way ukhumza akhuluma ngakhona angeke ungazitheli kuye man umtshele yonke into
Yeah, because our teachers are not trained psychologists.
yabona
Who can't,
that's
like-
not their job
Yeah.
though that's not their job
Yeah.
Their job is to teach there's someone who's qualified to do that and that person needs to be facilitated into the system. We need to do that. Yes, we need to have those 2 or 3 of them to handle how big our schools are because most of our
Manje imali
indaba le ivele
imali
guys
yonke leyo
ingani
yokwenza
nzima
ngomesi
le
yakhe
indaba le
siya-
yomntwana
interchange,
wenzima
singa-
bengicela ukukhuluma enye indaba kodwa engani ikhona current right now anjalo yakwazi ukuthi it's June Men's Health Month ngike ngabala enye imimi lapha kuthiwa June is Men's Health Month but I'm guessing nobody is really gonna talk about it so ngicela ume ngiqale ngiqede kuthiwe June is men's ntuba mana kancane kuthiwe June is Men's Health Month but I'm guessing nobody is really gonna talk about it so from one man to another I appreciate you and hope you are doing okay King 100
Read the rest of it.
so my thing now is
Wait, let her finish.
into engifuna ukuyitsho ukuthi umuntu lo ngendlela abhale ngayo imimi le yanti kusho ukuthi thina vela silakhe amadoda
Ala vela la ndaba lathi.
yeah, but it's true.
Serious.
Let me tell you where that shit comes from.
it's June
does it come
it's Men's Health
It's not
Month
that
Tiny
people don't care
health
about men.
what
Can we
Ngani iphathi le enthe umfazi wami uyandithanda ngicela i-highlight ukwenza ukuthi ma essay
we're gonna highlight and put we also gonna put
Ulomfazi bra-
subtitles he's married can't you see his ring
Hey, nje kuthiwa ngujezi.
MJ
Ngithi mina. Angikutsholile? Tshela ukuthi zakuthola.
Jesu ngena ngabi khona.
Anyway, as I was saying,
yeah
ngithi mina, I don't think amadoda awathandwa.
okay
Athandwa kakhulu. But
Okay.
izinto ezenza ngabanye bena. Izono zenu guys zi too much. Like too much.
But-
No, I'm not saying
Yeah, I know.
Yabona
I know.
Mojana-
Actually,
like bangayenzanga
Ngalikhuluma nje.
uyabona indoda ingangena kulapha ku-podcast ifike ithi abafazi ngamahuli mina vele angisize mbe offended ngoba njani angikwenze wo and then umfazi angakhuluma ethi amadoda izinja hey bayashaya abantu bayashaya izitori zamadoda gaziningi kakhulu uze umuntu kuthiwa urep umntwana 8 days old and uzibuza ukuthi what the hell is wrong with the gender? It's not that they don't care about you guys, but I feel like ama-victims anyway abafazi vele baningi kula madoda emhlabeni ama-victims amaningi it's always women. So I feel like that gives you guys a bad name. Those bad niggas,
just
they give you guys
just
a
an
bad
insight
name.
yazi like when people say like you know those we hate men lokhu zen like ube le fluent ubusuzonda ukuthi kulomoya phandle womqando. It's not it's the virus, my guy. You
And like,
men aren't. It's not all everyone is the thing. It's a mindset, and which is the virus. So I don't want to lie. Yes, my case is my name,
yes.
and but at the same
deserve
time,
love too.
it's men's locuzen.
We
My
you
case
guys
is my name.
really do deserve the love. I
Nanga-
feel like ibizo lenu li
Mina ngicani ngithi one more shot
They're
eJameson
gonna-
ngavuleka nga.
The bad
That
apples.
fruits, they're too
The bad
big now.
apples.
PR abo really needs a lot
Are
of
you
work.
guys have
They
bad
need-
PR,
yeah, you
eh?
guys have bad PR
Our
Ngoba even, like,
PR
when
is
the
shut
person-
down. Imagine our PR has been run by Shada. What do you expect?
and it's also
uyabona ukuthi PR yenu ibheda kanjani?
Hayi,
Shada lo Andrew
yabona
Tate.
manje nale into engayisuthi nale nge-PR nasilwe thina. Imfisana zami ziphuma
You-
kulokuzen.
let me-
Sorry.
Can I give you an
Sengudebate mina
example?
sengu.
Can I give you an example?
Eh.
So, I'm going to take you back to the Olrato case. That girl was
Yeah.
murdered.
Yeah.
Ngicela ungichazisele just the brief
Yeah, yeah.
details because angiyazi.
Go.
No, that girl went on a date and she got killed 2 hours later.
Yeah.
I don't know
She
about it.
simply got picked up,
Mm.
took over a date, and the guy killed her. But he's dead also. So, yay, got dead.
Dog, what a way to put it. What the fuck?
No, she's fighting from the grave.
Yeah, continue. No,
Ubulale
talk,
rapists,
God
this
did.
is
It's
the
the
Ngalanda
God
Bada.
did
Yeah,
fight
yeah,
for
yeah,
me.
yeah,
It's the
yeah,
God
yeah.
did. I was
So-
like, oh, continue.
When that case was posted, some guy decided to say, yeah, 21 men were killed in the Cape Flats. Daninja, no one is talking about that, but because a woman has died, it's giving, I don't like women. So now I'm pendulum. You have a Twitter account. The same way that yours account answering women for change on Twitter. They put every name of every victim. Every day they post 20 plus victims. What you have an account? Why are you not posting the men victims? What yeah? Or it's the same thing. I know what you trend the Black Lives Matter umfana lana ngo 2020.
Lloyd.
George Floyd.
George Floyd, yeah.
Amakhiwa xa ukuthi all lives matter. Why won't I movement yakho ukuthi white lives? Like literally you can. So I feel like if wanting justice triggers you like that, you're part of the problem. You might as well have like shot that person. I was asking him, why didn't you post? Because we post.
I want to let's all change him time.
Justice for what?
I can tell you change the other time. Like everyone that watches the podcast, I'm just
okay.
I'm commenting at cheese. But what Jackie, she's always honest, and she's not a picky side. Then just always honest. So I appreciate that. Just smile, but
on a lighter note, you know, when we say I'm not to that a stand one, this is my view, right?
Okay.
No way. This is just me. Don't come for me. I'm just saying.
Kuluma.
Women have no capacity to love. Right? Wait, kuluma.
Right?
So, man, I said on a lighter note, listen, like because my reasoning is they were never taught to love. Amen.
You're speaking from a verse in the Bible.
I'm talking from the Bible.
What are you saying?
I'm talking from the Bible. So let me finish.
You're never taught.
There's no verse in the Bible. Respect, submit, never love. But a man, however, was taught to love.
To love and provide.
And provide to a woman.
You see, so now I can agree with you.
I need you to understand that sometimes men, you stand and say, no. That was never for you.
Love was never for men.
It was for her.
So the only love you're supposed to receive is from your parents.
Love was never for men.
What's supposed to happen is, like I always say, without respect, men cannot love. And without love, women cannot respect.
God is love.
Right?
Amen.
Without respect, a man cannot love. And without love, a woman cannot respect.
Men interpret love is respect.
Men don't interpret. Men just want respect.
Yeah.
It's not about they interpret love. Respect, peace, and sex. Right?
I'll be a woman's speaker. I mean.
Because why I was saying what I was saying why I was saying all this and is I need people to understand some of these things that people are advocating, whatever. It's never in our nature to be loved.
Okay.
It's not within us. Do you know what respect doesn't necessarily respecting me doesn't necessarily mean respect for me. Respect is me having my girlfriend and she knowing what my 40 and abuya angel. So this is how I handle my 40.
I'm not supposed to talk to you.
Yeah. If my 40 is like this, you get my point. That's men.
So this can I ask? Yeah. When you guys get that who respects you, what makes you start barking?
There's always an idiot. There's always an idiot. Remember, there's always an idiot.
Jazz.
What makes you guys start jazzifying?
So I'm not gonna speak for all men, right? And let me tell you from moments where I've been, where I've been, Jazzy, right? For me, I'm gonna blame immaturity. Number one, there's no. I will a man. I'll say a man, right? A man. There's a difference between a man and a boy. Men don't cheat. Men don't cheat. Wait.
Amen. What if black men don't cheat?
Men don't cheat.
Boys
do.
I'm a 40 man.
I'm saying so. No. Understand what I said? I said men don't cheat. Boys do. Because with being a man comes maturity. And mature people don't do that.
So right? They are boys.
They are boys because
Oh.
You're calling people's fathers boys.
Boys
that's
don't
what-
cheat,
that's who
men
they
do.
are. That's who they are. Remember,
Boys don't cheat, men do.
there's a
Every
difference.
funeral
Remember, there's a difference between being.
in wedding.
This is being a father.
Discover me, my siblings. I'm my late
There's being a
father.
father.
My late father
And-
had a lot of kids. I've got colored siblings, by the way,
Good for you.
that I've never met, but we talk on a
Good for
daily.
you. Go for arms.
My dad had like less than, I'm not going to specify the number, but he had less than 20 kids. So are you saying my dad was...
All I'm saying, okay, your dad. Listen. What I'm saying
May
is,
his soul rest in peace. Can we
This
respect
is what my daughter will be
not
saying about me in
disrespecting your
20
dad.
years.
I'm not disrespecting your dad, but all I'm saying,
Sorry.
all I'm saying is this: if you are a man and you want to have multiple partners, the law simply states and lobola ipolygamy vumelana lo MJ semfuna vumelana MJ mina mfunza vuma nabafazi abangu 2 3 4 5 at the very beginning, right? Engayali MJ, it's okay, it's her right, move on, move along, uhambe uyothola njani ozavumelana lakho, rather than having MJ lapha and having MJ elala vukela ama-big eyes because ustresswa nguye because izorobulo
Zwana check. When you write,
no,
right,
you can't be
when,
doing that.
right.
You can't be stressing other people's kids.
Very perfect.
All I'm doing also and stress on umntwana womunye umuntu. So that's bullshit.
But ebony problem.
That's what I'm saying. Men, real men
Don't
who
cheat.
know who
Amen.
they are and what they're supposed to do in this life, don't fucking cheat.
Hayi propaganda leyo kuvala abantu.
No, that's the honest truth. Listen. Problem is when you stay. Sorry, can I? When you say stuff like that, it's because you want to sanitize bullshit. Right? No one wants to say the truth as is. Bullshit.
Interesting izwile.
Because
Zwana. When what you want to say, and what you want to say, you think what?
Ubuzweni.
Not to
Ubuzweni.
you didn't hear ubuzweni.
Keep it moving.
Kulo nto ngicabanga I hope I see.
Zwana check, Zwana. When I was ucabanga ukuthi, this is one of the, like, I understand what you're saying and I agree with you.
Yeah.
But it's what I can't agree with is you can't think a different school of thought is bullshit. You have to entertain a different school of thought. If you think it's bullshit, that's on you.
Okay,
But
I have a question.
Man.
Ukudla ukaka, is it a good or bad thing?
That's up to you.
Ukudla ukaka, is it a good or bad?
No,
I'm
no,
answering.
that's dogma, man.
No, I'm asking a question. Ukudla ukaka is good or bad?
For me,
For
me.
you. For you.
I ain't phakathi. Jensen phakathi his personal life yami lapha.
No, because I'm asking, because the reason I'm asking is there a way in this world?
Man.
Is there anything in this world that makes eating shit
But ngifuna ufake i-point
a
lapha.
normal thing? Talk or wipe.
Abakutholile.
All I'm saying is, do you know who
what
Candace
he's
Owens
saying? He's saying
had an
that
interview
is it
with
okay? Is it uteni mafot?
who Candace Owens?
Yeah.
Had an interview with Nick Cannon.
Right.
Where Candace Owens was going after the LGBTQ community. Then Nick Cannon was like, no, their feelings. That's what they believe in. Then Candace Owens, right now, about they are minor attracted.
Right.
I actually
Right?
think Nick is
They are
gay.
attracted to minors. That's what they're saying. Right?
And
They wanna
they've
move
been
away from being.
added
They wanna
into
move
the
away. They wanna
thingy.
move away from being
You know, the
called
whole
pedophiles, right?
LGBTQI,
And
what
they wanna
they've
be-
been added
to minor-
onto that
minor
alphabetical
attracted.
thingy.
And yeah. So why is it gonna allow them?
As in you're into the
Yeah, that's what they are pushing, right? So Nick was now saying, no, but mechanism argument was, but la feelings, different LGBT feelings, whatever.
Why
they
point
made-
them in anxiety
Problem
different
is,
LGBTQ?
what we need to understand. No. What she was saying
Why
was,
pointed I mean
when we are defending a lot of things, we also need to understand everything we are saying is a double-edged sword. So if you're gonna say, no, this is who they are.
Amanye amasoda asiyawenza bebuthundu yabusika njani usika abantwana. Siyakwenza kube buthundu.
But right now, do you know bestiality? You know, has bestiality.
yeah.
There's a state in America that actually allows bestiality.
Yeah, they're into cows.
Inland.
Sleeping with animals.
Bestiality. Ulalo
Sleeping with
besti.
animals.